Okay, I'm streaming. Don't say anything bad.
Hey,
Okay, let me make sure it actually started. Okay, there we go.
say.
Bro.
Hey, chat. Welcome
Oh.
back to another video on my
Why are you
YouTube
like
channel.
this? Okay, let me sign
Yo,
in.
chat.
Let me sign in. Bro, why? Okay, bro. Oh my god. Okay,
Yo, chat.
I'm
I
signed
miss
in.
you guys.
Invite me. Invite
Miss
me.
you.
Don't act like we have like concurrent viewers. Come on, invite me. Invite me
We
outside.
do, we do. There's already one person watching.
That's probably you. Open up the chat.
Oh, my fault, gang. Anyways, um,
Alright,
okay. Yeah,
invite
let
me.
me open that.
Yeah, invite me outside.
Editor, editor.
Ah,
Damn. Okay, so I did make some big changes. I created a shared
oh my god.
UDP socket. Well,
Uh-huh.
not shared UDP socket thing where like it's like it has one singular manager that broadcasts the messages out through a broadcast basically.
Uh-huh.
So we've been doing that.
Okay. Let me look. Let me
Still
look.
kind of the code for this is really yucky, and once I get this fully working, I want to go back and just refactor it.
Oh no.
It's just the code for this is really
Yucky.
really yucky.
Okay.
So I yeah.
Let me hold on. Zoom out a little bit. Is that dude, even with a solid background, that still feels so weird. I cannot get over it. Okay, I just need to lock in. I just need to ignore it. Okay, let me.
I think it's because it's at 120 hertz.
Huh? No,
Zed runs at like your monitor's refresh rate
I,
and
I,
FPS.
I don't think it's. I don't think it's that. I'll tell you right now. I don't think it's that. Okay, let me just look. Okay, so you
Uh,
a message received. Oh, why did you do an arc mutex? Oh my god.
Also, I saw this thing called dash map. It's basically like a hash map replacement, like drop in replacement, but
Yeah.
we don't have to use orb mutex for it.
How is it? Huh? How?
It's like an atomic hash
Oh.
map or something. I
Okay.
don't
That.
really know how it works. But
Like.
you only have to use arc. You don't have to use mutex at all.
Okay. That.
It's supposed to be the fastest hash map like in existence, like in all languages.
Okay. That. Oh yeah yeah. I saw that thing about it. Okay. Um. Okay. Register transaction ID through response channel. Okay. Let me look through what you did. So you have a. That broadcasts message to all trackers. Your new receiver task, and that is a clone away. You a loop, and we either receive from.
Yep.
Okay, so that's the receiver data. That makes sense. I can receive bytes and we handle the bytes accordingly. When do we send? Where are we getting the sender from? The sender. Where's the sender from? Let's sender. Find the channel so get transaction ID. Okay. Um. They send it. Okay, so where's the receiver for each of these senders? Where are we
What'd you say?
storing? Where's the receiver for each of these senders? Is that just
What line are you on?
I see. Never mind. I see. The register transaction. Okay. Um.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna have to explain the logic behind this because I don't completely understand why we're doing this.
Okay, so do you remember that message I sent you last night where I said so what was happening was we had one single UDP server, right?
Mhm.
Yesterday.
Mhm.
So we had one singular UDP server that we could technically send a bunch of messages through to the trackers, but the
Mhm.
problem was um even if you wrap a UDP socket in an arc and clone it around,
Yeah.
it will only send messages. You can only receive messages from the latest caller of the receive function.
Okay.
So
That.
that means if we had two identical, I mean, if we had two trackers running at the same time, both trying to listen for incoming messages, only one of them would actually receive the message.
Okay. That. I see what you're doing. Yeah. Cause. Yeah.
So instead, I have only one person, only one thread listening for messages that just broadcasts, this clones it and broadcasts it to everything else.
Okay, I see what you're doing then. Okay, yep, that makes sense, and then we handle it
Yeah.
appropriately. Okay, that
Yeah.
seems right. Okay.
I
Um,
could further optimize it by having like the check who it's for inside the handler, but I just got lazy.
no, that
And
seems. I guess you. I mean, I don't. I guess you could. It
I mean,
doesn't matter
because
that
it
much.
does clone the data just over everywhere. Over, you can just clone the data to each tracker.
We can fix it
But
later. But yeah, that
yeah, it's
that
not that
should be.
important.
Yeah, in theory, that should be just fine. Okay, so you do that. Um, okay, so what's the current issue we're having? But
I'm not sure if it works, and it's really hard to figure out if it does because I ran the test and I can't figure out if it does work or not because I can't tell if some of the trackers are just dead and not responding or it's just not working.
okay.
It's
Can
just
can you
it's a
send
very odd.
can
But
you
yeah,
send
sure, I can
me
send you logs.
the debug logs so I can take a look at them?
Sure, I'm gonna here. So if I run the test, I filtered out the logs so they only send warnings and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So wait, no, it is working. It has to be no, because
Here,
trackers 1, 2, and 3 just must be dead.
just show me.
Um,
Just show me. Because
okay,
I
I'll
think
send it.
I know
Oh, check
Empire JS is dead.
this. What's that?
The tracker URL for one of them. Okay. Oh my God, so many.
Okay, so those are the logs.
Let me copy that
Um,
into new then.
but it says, but this is the first message. So if we're receiving on the first message, I mean on the first run of this test, this is before any retries or anything. On the first run, we're getting 50 peers from one tracker and 176 peers from another tracker. So
Okay.
theoretically, on paper, it looks like we're receiving
Okay.
peers.
That.
So like, because this is on the first run.
Mhm.
So that means we haven't hit any we don't need to retry yet.
Mhm.
And then on the second rerun, we get 50 pairs back from tracker 0 again, and then I think we might have hit like a So on the second run of the same function, so because this thing is like repeating over and over again for some reason,
Mhm.
something I did, I don't know why, but on the second run of this function, we're getting 50 pairs back again from tracker 0, and there was a delay, so I'm assuming we might have hit like might have to do a resend or
Mhm.
something,
Okay.
and that must have been successful because then we received 177 peers back like 300 milliseconds later, which would make sense with
Okay.
our delays.
Yeah.
So so yeah, tracker 0, tracker, and
Well,
then
here.
tracker 0 is just not responding now.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Well,
yeah,
here.
I think it is working. We don't have enough trackers to like known working trackers to verify if all of them are receiving. 'Cause
Yeah.
it looks like two of them are, yeah, okay. Tracker 0 and tracker 4 are 100% like sending stuff to us, and it looks to be working fine.
Yeah.
But the
Okay.
test isn't stopping because I think we need like at least 3 trackers to respond.
Okay.
So it's just looping.
Yeah. Let me look. Yeah. Also, don't forget the IMA changes and
Oh,
yeah.
I think I changed too much code. 'Cause I changed a lot of code.
Yeah. No, I saw.
Oh, now we're gonna merge this.
Oh, I get Stash and do it manually. It's not that I did not make that many changes. I added traces and changed error handling in case the DNS lookup failed, which is like 20 lines, um, and then the traces.
Fuck.
So it's not bad. Can we just merge it on GitHub for sake? No. We
Uh,
can't merge it on GitHub. Here just uh git stash, git pull, and then manually do it.
Fuck. Okay.
It's not gonna
Well,
be
this
bad.
isn't committed yet. Well, let me try git pull, and then it's gonna.
Stash.
The local
No.
changes cannot. Oh, I already
Oh
pulled. Fuck.
my God. Save bro. Bro. Bro.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bro. I'm gonna beat you.
What? What? What?
Huh?
They patched that.
Bro, that's crazy. Oh my God. Okay. Um. Okay. Yes. It's just stash and
I
stash and.
think we're already like mid-merge conflict.
Oh my God. I don't just stash and manually. Okay. Don't rebase. What are the different types of git merges? I should know this. Okay, so you can't merge.
Trackers.
Just
Wait. UDPRS is where the merge conflict. Wait, where are the merge conflicts? I don't see
It
the merge conflicts.
it's just no, just look for what should be head, I think. Head and tail, whatever it is. Um,
I don't see
did it not?
head.
It
It's
should
yeah,
have.
I guess it didn't like actually create like a merge thing.
Okay, so yeah, you gotta stash that. Oh, I don't even know, dude, 'cause I can't see your. You should be able to stash that, pull, then pop from stash, and then you should be back
Yeah, I'm gonna stash it. Let's stash.
to let's
Git
see. Okay,
pull. Git stash.
pop.
Pop.
Okay,
Okay, and now we have.
that's fine. That's fine because we're gonna have there should be head. No, there's no head. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, there's no.
There we go.
There's
There
a,
we go. There we go. Okay, here's some. Yeah. You see it. You see it. Updated. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So update. Okay, I'm gonna.
where's I
Yes.
don't see it.
No. Look for updated and stashed.
I
It's
see modified. It was modified. Yeah.
yeah. No. Yeah. Look for updated. No. No. Just literally just search for updated and stashed. Um, I'm gonna keep.
Oh, I see update option. Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it.
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna. Like I see, I'm gonna keep most of your changes because all I did was tracing. So in theory, you should just be able to just use mine. Cause like okay, so like then 'cause that's the update upstream, and then that's this. Okay, yeah, okay. Like we can remove this. We'll keep the trace there. Um,
They did move around a lot of code too.
okay, that could be a problem. Um, rule of thumb: keep the stash changes, I guess. Here, let's just see. Updated, stashed. Let me see what that Carter Clippy says after that. Okay. If only somebody get pulled. Okay, cannot find
If
Mac.
only someone told me that they pushed.
I did. I probably didn't actually. I'm not gonna lie. I
You
probably
didn't
did
tell
not.
me.
I did
Yeah,
not,
you
did
didn't
I?
tell me.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna act like I did. Actually, I am, but um. Okay, so there's some stuff there.
One second, I'll be right back.
Oh my god. Okay. Why are you enumerating if we do that? Okay, well, I guess it's more important to look at. Okay, so I'm guessing we should be in scope for that. So here, oh, maybe it's up here. Like, can I just jump to? It should be line 679. So line 679. Okay, so type infer to be that here. Okay, so with this, the response. The response is just that. Wait, can I? Was that? Okay, no, that's not useful. Um, found enum return type. Does it want me to like return? Question mark? I'm not sure. Maybe that. Okay, maybe that's what. No, but that'd be returning to No, that should work. Okay, I don't know why. Hold on. Let me see if this works. Let me see if this works. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, that. Any of this flag goes unreachable. Oh,
Not
okay.
you.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out a few of the errors. You're able to look at this yourself,
God,
I
what's happening?
think, because I didn't write this. I'm not too familiar with it. 673.
What are you doing?
Here.
Timeout.
There, yeah. So I don't know. 'Cause that shouldn't return, should it? Because there's more code after that.
No.
I don't know what you want.
Well, why is there OKs here? This wasn't here.
Okay,
I
did I?
think at least.
Here. Let me check my diffs.
Just buff.
I did not change that as far as I'm aware. Hold on. Let me look. Um,
Wait, so this, oh, this is supposed to return, yes. This is supposed to return an error.
okay.
This is
Um,
supposed to stop. So that
okay.
there.
Then what
And
about
then this
that?
match. Oh yeah, this wasn't here anymore.
Okay. Did I?
That just wasn't there.
Okay, I don't know. Hold on. Now I'm curious. I'm look at my disk. Like, did I remove that or something? That'd be really stupid of me, but I'm not gonna put it past me, I guess. Didn't remove it there.
Yeah.
That was no. I don't know. Okay, I don't know where that got changed, but whatever. Um, yeah. Okay.
I guess. Okay. Wait, what is going? I'm so confused.
I know.
Because wait, no,
I
because
agree.
we already parsed the response. Wait, I don't think this code is even here anymore.
Huh?
I don't think I had this code
Oh. Oh. I think.
because I parsed yeah, because I have this right here. Timeout result. Wait, where's timeout result
Oh.
even?
Yep. Okay. Yeah. So that.
Or maybe this code wasn't here. I don't know. One of this wasn't here.
We should be a lot more careful about this.
Timeout result because it already has timeout result already is a tracker response.
Mm-hmm.
So I wouldn't need to turn it from bytes here. I wouldn't need
Yeah.
to.
Okay. So.
And then this function does it? Oh, it does return a retry error. So one of these wasn't here. Was
Okay.
uh, yeah, I already have a yeah, buff doesn't exist. I'm assuming that this
That.
wasn't supposed to be
Yeah.
here.
Like everything down, probably.
No.
Mm,
So this would be
that's.
okay response.
Let me see.
Results.
Maybe you're right.
Uh,
Let's see.
okay.
Okay, and there's just some stuff with adder. Did you where were you? Because adder should just be the address that gets returned from receive buff from, right?
Hold on, I'm confused. Let me check what struct. Oh, this is under UDB tracker. Okay.
Okay.
Um. So we have this register. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to go through and like fix a few of the minor errors where you while you do that, because I feel like it. 127. 127. That's not where I thought I was going. Should we enumerate wherever that is? Enumerate. Oh, I guess we just not. Oh, I guess we just don't use it. Okay, whatever. Anyways, okay, going back up where you are should be like 700. Yeah. Okay, so this should be receive retry. I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know what code you had here first.
I'm back. Sorry. So let me see.
I feel like this
Response is
down.
here.
Yeah.
So this is parsing the response and then setting a retry.
Yeah.
Is there a way to like, uh, okay. No, hold on.
I don't.
Hold on.
Yeah. No. No.
What function is this?
This is receive retry.
Receive retry.
Do you have like?
Uh,
I don't know.
uh.
Yeah. I know.
Oh, okay. Okay, no,
What
I
is it?
understand it now. I
Okay.
understand it now. All this down wasn't here.
See
All
that?
this wasn't here anymore.
Like this stuff?
Yeah,
Okay. Here,
this all
you
wasn't
delete
here.
that. I don't want to break something. Okay. That
Uh,
does kind of make sense. Then we return that now.
yeah, and then we just return. We don't need the response. Go here, delete this.
Let's
Okay,
match and go from there. Okay,
okay.
there we go. Okay. Thank goodness. Okay. Do you wanna?
We still have one error. Oh,
Yeah.
no, no, we don't.
No. It's just wait. do you not use the function is our message anymore?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm just checking to make sure that we didn't delete something that we needed. Okay, that's whatever. I'm gonna try and run the test again, see what output you get.
Okay, let's run it. Okay, so I'm getting. Yep, I'm still getting the same result.
Okay, so
Peers tracker 3 are giving us 50 peers. Tracker 4 giving us 181.
okay, um, okay, so in that case, okay, the retry is working.
Yeah, the retries are definitely working because I can see sometimes tracker 4 like we have to retry a request or a response because of the fact that it isn't working. So we're getting like delay.
Yeah. Okay, so
Retries are working. The
so have,
message with the messages.
yeah, so have you set up actually getting the peers back? Um,
Yeah, no, we have peers. Like if I were to turn on verbose logging right now, like I would see like the
uh, no, I meant like
you don't
getting
see like
peers. I meant like getting peers in the test itself, like being able to
yeah,
verify.
no, no, the test has peers, yes.
Oh, it does,
Like
doesn't it? Okay.
like yeah,
Yeah,
like we
okay.
get receive a peer back, yeah.
Okay. So is it just that we're not getting enough successful trackers?
Yeah, so the test requires three successful trackers. We're only getting two.
Hmm.
So it just keeps running over and over again,
Okay.
and the test isn't stopping.
Yeah, that's okay. That is.
I guess we could
Hmm.
just change it to require two.
I don't yeah, like how else do we just verify that we get like a certain number of peers maybe? Like okay, like
Well, one tracker is saying it's like 200 peers, so it wouldn't really
well
verify anything.
yeah, but like okay, so if we you're right. Nah, that won't really okay. Um just very like how about just one at least? Like just fully clarify that we can at least connect to one, but then we
Oh,
went
that's already a test for that. That's the one
yeah.
above it.
Okay, you're right. I guess just two. And go from there. Yeah.
Okay, two.
I'm gonna go back and look over everything else that you've done. Let's see. Okay. Um. Okay. So where do you? This line. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, but this file is like 1,200 lines long now. Which
Well, it's because we have still have all that dry code that we need to fix.
oh we do. Yeah, we do, don't we? Okay. Okay. Where's the UDP? It might be in
Like there's
Modern.rs.
still a ton of code in this file that we just like
I've not done anything with.
tracker. Yeah.
Yeah. UDP. What's it called? Uh, what's the UDP struct called for managing?
EDP tracker.
Oh, wait, no. I mean, um, the one for managing the socket itself.
Uh, UDP socket manager? I don't remember.
Okay,
Oh yeah,
here.
UDP message receiver.
Okay. UDP message receiver. Okay. Let's see. Here's okay. So where? UDP message receiver. Okay, message receiver. Take that in. Create a new one. Is shared receiver. Okay. Oh wait, no. I guess that makes shared receiver. Okay. Shared socket. Oh right, because it's a receiver, not a. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm being stupid. Okay. Yep. Okay. That makes sense to me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was confused because I didn't know why we weren't putting that in the struct in the
Why is this a warn? Oh, this is your logging.
yeah. I see.
A warn. We're getting a warning. Get peers. Tracker message failed. Error. Message timeout. Oh. so what's happening is the test isn't okay. So we're here, received.
Gotta
Okay,
get
so I
down.
have an assert. Record valid port. Record failed.
Check response is provide the item.
There. Okay, so what's happening is handles
Okay, if that works.
handles not push.
Um, here, just
Received.
send me the logs as well, please. Thanks.
So you sending the log? You said.
Yeah, yeah, the logs, just so I can take a look at them too.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out why this test isn't closing.
Okay.
Okay.
Discord might force you to send
Here.
text.
Okay. So you can see at the end, the last line, you see tracker 4 received 187 peers. So that means that that there was a message failed to send and we have to retry it.
Okay.
So which is fine. We still received the peers in the end, but it just means that one of the messages failed to send. So that's why there was a
Yeah.
delay.
Yeah. Here, record at Q up. Oh. Escape Q at Q. Oh, wait.
Okay. So the problem is the only issue I'm having is this this test is not closing.
Yeah.
So like it keeps running. It's not closing at all.
Yeah.
So what I could do is I could go to the config and like remove the remove the retries
Are we
with next test.
still running with 2 peers though? Or sorry, sorry. Are we still checking for 3 trackers?
I should have removed that just now. I think so.
Okay.
But I removed the next test retries just for now, so I could see what
Yeah.
happens.
Okay.
So the problem we're having is just the function isn't ending.
Yeah. Yeah.
These handles, like it's not closing
Yeah.
after we're done.
Okay. You mean the test itself isn't ending after we're done?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, we're not even okay. So what's happening is I see this. So go to line
Yeah. Yeah.
1271. Yeah, I see that we're getting this log back, so we can see how many periods that we got
Yeah.
and stuff. So we're getting that log back,
Okay.
and this is passing because if this log is running, then this has to pass also. I mean, this also has to happen. But after this, like after this whole block, we're not doing anything. Well,
That's
actually, no. We're never making it to here.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
also the cert isn't throwing any errors. Like we haven't received any errors from the cert either.
Okay. So.
So like we get like stuck in this for loop, I guess.
Yeah.
And we're never receiving the logs that should be here.
Yeah. I mean, my best guess is that it's something with this, but I don't know why that would be because it should wait unless
What?
handled out of wait. That return is just a result, not a future. Just make sure like it's not a your tracker ID is a U size and then the result is a literal result. Okay, yeah, so that's not no that yeah that's literally not even a future. So that all runs. We get past that. I'm just thinking out loud.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm not sure
Well,
why.
those other well, no. So I think what's happening is the other two trackers aren't ever responding, so we're still stuck on this loop. The
On
other two trackers just aren't working like, to
on
begin with.
you mean like this loop?
Yeah. Wait, no, wait. This one. Because remember, two of the trackers just aren't responding at all.
Yeah,
Like, there's no response.
but wait, but okay, this isn't spawned away. in a separate thread. So this should block this thread now. If okay,
Mm.
if this fails to run, if this
No, no, it's
uh
not failing though. That's the thing.
no, sorry.
It's
Okay,
not. We don't.
it,
So so what I'm saying is the other trackers, if they don't respond, it's still not failing because we're doing that retry thing where we just keep retrying to send a message to them. Because
no.
the retries, it's not failing. So
Yeah,
that means that this thing is still the test is still waiting for those trackers to respond, but they're not going to respond because they're dead.
no. Yeah.
We
Okay,
need like a
so
global timeout basically for a tracker because trackers tend to be dead.
yeah. Um. Okay, so yeah, no. No. What I'm saying is that this is blocking this thread. Or it should be blocking, but if we're getting to hold on. If we're getting to here, then it's not blocking that thread, is it? So
I don't. Oh, because we are making it to here.
yeah. So it's not blocking, but we're so we can't be stuck on anything here. 'Cause
Oh well. Okay, wait. No, I think because I think the get peers function it does still return. So this function ends like it isn't like a loop. It
mhm.
doesn't end. Like this function will end eventually, and because that's to return something, right? So it has to end,
Yeah.
right? The other
Okay.
ones aren't ending like at all.
Okay. Here
And I
ha
think
handle is
uh
Tokyo spawn that. So wait, do we get a tracker failed? We should get a tracker failed.
no,
Tracker.
we're
Yeah,
not getting
no.
anything like that. So we need to fix the get peers function to somehow
No. Um,
because it doesn't. We should add like a timeout or like 3 or 4 seconds for or
yeah.
yeah, we should. Okay, so the get peers is announced.
Do we
We can just
just?
add like we can probably just add like a timeout because trackers tend to be dead.
Yeah.
It's just the nature of the protocol. Trackers tend to just die randomly.
Yeah.
So having a 3 second waits might be optimal, I guess.
Wait. Do you mean a timeout on the connect call or an or announce call? Because if it's on the
Oh yeah, if
announce,
it's dead, yeah, yeah, we shouldn't do it on the announce because
we
announce means that we already have connected, so that means the
yeah.
tracker isn't dead.
Okay.
So for
Okay.
the connect, we can just do it directly in the connect function probably.
Yeah. That. Wait. Oh yeah. No, we can. I'm sorry. Yeah. No, you're right.
Yeah.
Um.
So, because it does return a result, so
Yeah.
next.
Yeah. Sorry. I was gonna say I don't think that'll work, but it will work for just fine. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know
Okay.
where you went.
So
There you are.
then this.
Where's the
So match.
actual self.send and wait?
So what we can do is just like time out. Okay, makes life so much easier sometimes.
It does. And then it makes it harder. And you hate life. But then it
Yeah.
makes it easier again.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. So we just time out the send and wait for the connect and
Yep. I'd say 3 seconds.
uh can you add a constant for that?
Yeah,
Duration.
sure. Yeah, hold on. GG down. I've
Connection timeout
yeah.
should be the name.
Or like
Also,
yeah.
yesterday, Oscar,
Oh
I,
god.
I I gave you one job. I
What?
told you to put a constant at the top of the file for message timeout or something.
Yeah, I did duration.
But you did
Oh wait.
duration.
Yeah.
You did from seconds when I asked you to put from milliseconds.
I don't know.
So and
Your Honor, Your Honor,
I spent like
Your
20
Honor,
minutes trying to
he is
debug that
trying
last
to
night.
tear down my reputation, Your Honor.
I spent 20 minutes debugging that, Oscar. Because I was wondering why it wouldn't retry. Yeah, because the retry was set to 150 seconds, so it wouldn't retry for 150 seconds. That's why it wasn't working.
I'm sorry. Okay, just
God.
ignore that. Okay, there you go. Okay, it is actually
Connection.
there you go.
Why is it a U size?
Oh,
Isn't
my
there the
bad, my bad. Oh god. Duration from millisecond. I'm joking. from seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, there.
Yes,
Are we
yes, yeah,
okay?
yes, yes.
Are we happy?
Maybe, maybe.
I you see, I like to think that I've graduated from becoming from a doc boy and I've become a constant boy now. I make constants the file.
I don't know.
No, okay. Well, okay. We can probably just direct. Well, actually, no. We shouldn't just directly unwrap it, but we can just like response dot map error, um, map error e do something with that. Done on wrap, or actually no, that shouldn't even be done on wrap. It should just be if there is an error. We don't need to throw the error like that. We just need to do. We should just return it anyhow, like that, right?
What are you doing, Oscar? What are you
Am I
doing?
not cooking?
No, create. Oh, we just all we have to do is map error this.
Yeah.
You don't even need e. We just set that to underscore and be like uh track u e tracker error uh message timeout.
Well, that. Oh, right. It'll coerce it, won't it?
Yeah.
Oops. Okay, my bad. My bad. My bad. Yeah,
Why is
you.
it doing that?
There we go. Just there we go. Okay, and then
Let response equal.
there we go.
Let us work. Results.
Huh?
Oh,
Should.
do I need to put double question marks here?
What? No.
Is that even
Oh, the
that
huh?
works?
That's so weird. Was that? That's so weird. But okay, I guess we'll
Yeah,
just.
because it returns a result of a result. So
Oh. Oh, it does,
yeah.
doesn't it?
So
Oh, that's weird.
yeah.
Okay. Well.
So there, that will time out after connection timeout. So now we know that the connect failed. Now, theoretically, if I run this,
Mhm.
now it should just fail.
Let's see. Okay, hopefully within 3 seconds. If it the
Oh, it passed. It passed.
oh
It
sweet,
worked.
nice.
2 out of 5 trackers succeeded.
Okay,
245 peers total.
nice.
It worked.
Okay,
Run it again just to make sure.
nice.
Worked. We're good.
Sweet. Okay,
One
cool.
out of 5 trackers succeeded.
Sweet.
Nice, pretty cool.
That's good. Okay, do we commit this?
Yep. Let's
Okay.
commit. Dude, I'm the master of debugging. Holy.
I mean, whoa. Let's not go that. Oh wait, hold on. We should commit the cargo toml separately. Whatever the changes in that.
Really?
Wait.
Oh. Oh yeah. Wait. Let me change the next test. Let me revert this
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
next
Yeah.
test change.
Yes,
This
that
doesn't need
thing.
to be your restore file. Okay.
Wait.
Oh wait, my cargo toml trains aren't even real.
Yeah. What's
Look.
the?
Look at the diff. Look at the diff.
Yeah. Why is there a diff? What? Hold on.
Wait, whoa.
Wait, yeah, no, I saw that earlier. I was like, what? Hold on, what? Oh, it's literally a single line. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. Boop. There we go. Okay, yeah. Now you can commit that. What's the changes in the other file? Oh, it's just that. Okay. Um.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Let me just run cargo clippy real quick.
Yeah. No, it should be
Gotta
fine. We're
recompile
not
like
getting anything.
everything.
Yeah.
Let me double check, cause you never know.
No, I know.
We're good. We're clear. That worked. Oh my
Yay!
goodness.
Yay!
Okay. So what would this be?
Uh. Okay, that is honestly the one thing that's okay. Other than why does the AI give you like a fucking paragraph to put in your commit message?
I don't know.
That's heinous.
I don't know.
That's disgusting. But
Well, it's for longer or bigger commits that might need more description. I
like yeah,
shared EDP master for concurrent. Okay, sure. Good
that's
enough.
yeah, that's fine. Realistically, we probably should have git chunked that or get patched that and gone through and um
It's fine.
like added the timeout separately. But I guess we're here now, so.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, I gotta teach you about git add dash p.
I don't need that. It's use lazy git.
Do you know how to get patch, buddy?
Yeah. I know, I just don't want to do it because
That that's right. Okay, that's fair. Okay, okay, so
it's like the tailwind mentality, man. Like I know how to write CSS, I just don't want to write CSS.
okay, I mean, but, well, okay, I guess. Okay,
Yep, yep.
yeah, okay, so let's see. Okay, what's next then? So we can connect to trackers, we can get the peers from trackers. We just need to refactor this crap,
Yeah,
right?
so all it's next is refactoring. Yes, you're right.
Okay, so
So we've
okay,
officially fixed issue 34. That's officially fixed.
okay,
And
I could close that real quick.
well, don't close it because we have it's not merged domain. You can't close it in issue.
Oh,
It's
right,
not
right, right.
merged domain
Fine,
yet.
fine, fine. Okay, chill, chill. Oh, wait. That was you committed that, right?
Yeah,
All right,
I
I'm good
commit
enough.
this.
Daily commit done.
I love this guy.
Nah, I'm
I
joking. I'm
love this
joking.
guy.
I'm joking. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what's our? Okay. What do we want to refactor? What do we not like?
We have to refactor the way that we handle trackers.
Mm-hmm.
Remember the example syntax we put on the
Oh, right.
tracker handler and modRS? Yeah.
Yeah, because that does not really work, does it?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Close all items there. Okay, let me close all my tabs
Mm-hmm.
so I can actually work efficiently. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now that we're here,
You use Neovit if you
so
want
now
to
we're gonna
work really efficiently.
this tracker and modRS.
Here, let
So
me.
hello to our 4 viewers.
uh, uh, okay. So let's see. Where's the example? There's the example. Okay. Okay. So we have the tracker, and okay. So
So this
firstly,
syntax isn't going to work anymore.
well, mm,
Well,
yeah.
actually, no,
Well,
no, no. It
no.
might.
Maybe. I mean,
It, it might, because we do still have that the connect with UDP socket. But
yeah.
that's only gonna pass from the UDP socket. It's not really gonna.
No,
It's
but
not really going to It's not. Well, okay. Here's what we can do.
mm,
We can have we can have a separate function for connect underscore UDP
okay. But
and have it take in optionally a arc UDP socket,
mm-hmm.
right?
Uh-huh.
And then have it, and then also have it take in a manager, right?
Mm-hmm.
Manager or messenger.
Oh yeah, yeah.
How do
The
you spell it?
message receiver.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to put manager.
You got this, buddy.
Uh, and that would be an arc UDP message receiver. UDP
Will that
UDP
work?
message receiver.
Will that work in the arc?
Yes.
Is that gonna be all right?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Yes.
Um. Well, no. I mean, like, will the functions on it work in arc? Do any of
Yes,
them
it will.
take a?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just gonna double check that. It's not that I don't believe you. It's not that I don't believe you. It's just.
I did it in the test. What do you mean?
Uh
The
huh.
test used it in arc.
Oh, it does. Oh, okay. Point taken. Point taken. Anyways, um. Okay, so in that case.
Hello, new member
Oh
on the
yeah, look at
server.
that. Oh sweet.
Hello, Jaws Co.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, if it's let me see. Let me see. Okay, that's fine in arc. So if we do connect UDP, are you saying that we should? Let me see. I know I've said that like 20 times in the past 30 seconds, but okay, so we're just trying to eliminate this code in test multiple tracker single UDP server, right? We're trying to take
Yeah,
that
we're just trying.
because
Yeah.
we shouldn't have to manually create the socket and receiver, right? The
Yeah,
UDP
exactly.
tracker. Yeah, that should handle this.
Yeah.
Oh, Hi, coding with Atlas. We're good today. Saifu, how about you? Are you?
I'm doing
Or
okay. I'm doing okay.
he's fine.
What about you?
Okay, so we have. Oh, it's the issue with creating the socket and the receiver in the UDP tracker is that we might create a well
Where's
no
the comments for the syntax that we want to wait? Where are they? Oh, here they are. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking.
okay
Um, so we have connect underscore UDP, and then we'll have to no, we can create the tracker. So I made everything an option. So the in the tracker itself, it will create it only if we don't specify it in as an argument. We
okay
can still pass in a manager.
okay
So what we can do is we can have a you can make the user specify like a manager, like so UDP manager equals UDP
yeah
manager new or whatever
yeah oh Alice
or
that's
whatever.
good here yeah
Yep. And then we can connect UDP, and then we can have like a let UDP socket equals UDP socket find,
mm-hmm.
whatever.
Yeah,
And then we could connect UDP
manually put that in there.
manager and UDP socket.
But we also have the option uh to not include those as arguments.
Yeah, and that basically means that we'll specify that means that each tracker will have its own server basically.
But then that gets back to our original problem though, doesn't it? If we have
Yeah, but we just won't do that. But it's like an option because we might want to do that just for convenience. If we don't want to have to create these two variables for a test, it might just be more convenient.
okay, that seems fine.
So that's
Okay.
why the option's still there. But it won't, as long as we specify these two variables, then we'll be fine.
Okay, that seems fine.
And
Yeah.
honestly, I don't think if we already have the UDP manager, I don't think we need the UDP socket anymore. Because the UDP manager has the socket. Like it owns the socket.
Oh, it does. Okay, so do we want the UDP message receiver to be like a UDP socket manager or something then?
How about we just rename it to UDP server?
I mean, yeah, we can do that. That also works. Okay, that seems fine to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's rename it to UDP server.
Mhm.
That's a commit.
Oh my god. Okay.
What?
I know.
Bro,
No.
git chunk. Yeah, git chunk. Yeah, isn't that what you wanted to do? Yeah,
Git
that's what I thought.
patch. Wait, no. What's
Git
it's
patch,
patch?
same thing.
Git.
Same thing.
Is
Tomato,
it,
tomato.
it's just git add dash p. You got this, buddy. You got this. I believe in you.
I can't do this. I don't know how to do this without neovim.
Oh my god,
Let's keep on F12. Is it F12? You have to do
dude.
F12 in this.
Just
To rename a
open up your
variable. Hold
terminal.
on.
Open up your terminal. Wait.
What?
Oh wait. To rename a variable. Okay, that's valid. I don't know how to do that.
Because
Here
in
either.
neovim it's just like
I think.
space RA, but
Huh?
editor rename.
Huh?
Yeah.
Space? You use
Oh.
space RA? What?
Yeah. Leader. Yeah. Space is my leader key.
No,
In
but
neovim.
what? No, you do. Here, let me. No, you do. Here, look. Here, hold on. Actually, no, you do colon percent s slash word to replace blah blah blah, right? And then you
Do you
do.
not wait, Oscar? Do you not use your LSP to rename variables?
You can do that?
Yes, you can do that with like every language.
What?
It's built into the LSP. You can
I'm
you can do a
genuinely.
rename. I think there's one. I have a custom keybind to bind it to my leader, but I think there's one that isn't bounded to leader that's already in neovim. But yeah, you're supposed to use your LSP when you're renaming variables. You're supposed to use your LSP because it will rename it in every other file too.
I have a custom plugin for that. So oh my god. Thank you, kid. Dude, there's
Oscar.
Dude, I no. Look.
Oscar.
You should look. You should open Spectre. Look, you search. You search for okay, so like you
Oscar,
search for
not,
tracker.
that's fine. That's
Look, oh wait. Let me not do that because I actually might nuke the repo if I do that. See, look, dude. You don't. You don't gotta use the fancy LSP. I'm not saying that because I didn't know what it was. Not at all. Look. I'm just saying. Look.
I think this is a
Colon
bit of copium.
colon percent s slash like failed. Replace with
Or, or
replace
you
me.
just
And
press
no,
space
look.
RA and have the LSP
No,
do it
no,
for
but
you.
no,
You know,
look.
it's more
Uh,
correct because it's done by the LSP.
okay, wait. Let me look. Huh? That does not. Is it
Well, you're not
space?
using NVCAD. You're not using
Oh,
NVCAD, so
right.
you can't use
Okay,
it.
that I
But
forgot you had
there
that.
is, no, there is that functionality is like built into NeoVim. We have the Rust LSP. You just,
I
there's a different bind for it that I know of. I just don't remember.
I'm sure. Wait, hold on. I could check telescope bindings, dude. How are you? What is it? Telescope. I think it's key maps. Yeah, key maps. Okay, what is it? LSP. What it's called? Code action references document sendable. Implementation type definition. Okay, I don't know what it is, but I'm look. No. Safe. Look at this, bro.
Rename.
Look at this. Look at the. Oh, oh, you're right. It probably is that. Okay, here. Wait. Let me look. Oh, there is that GRN. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no
You should have been
matching
using that.
language server. No matching language servers with rename capability. Oh
I think that's,
my chair. Oh my.
I think that's a skill issue.
That's not my no, dude. Look at this. Look how perfect this is. Percent s failed. Replace me, and then you do what is it? I think it's GD, so you can go through and you do it one by one.
Asking.
Is it G? Whatever it is. I don't know, but it's amazing. It's beautiful. Okay. Anyways, yeah, just replace that and then commit, I guess. Just change it to like UDP server.
UDP server.
We should just be able to manage it, everything from there, hopefully. Especially since we just keep it in an arc.
Yeah. So UDP. So this no longer needs a socket because
Mhm.
we just give that to that.
Mhm.
So you don't, because we don't do self.socket. Well, okay. So there's a few things. Oh yeah, this is just a commit here. I'll commit this here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Refactor. Why do you? Oh, factor rename. UDP message server. What was it called? Receiver.
Yeah.
Receiver to UDP server. Okay. That's fine. Now, what I want to do is I want to completely remove the use of socket inside UDP socket because we don't really need to use it for anything.
Mhm.
Because all the sending is being done through the UDP server.
Yeah.
So,
So wait, do we need to implement like send, like a very basic send function for?
there already is, I'm pretty sure, no? Start receiver task.
Oh,
Yeah, send underscore message.
oh, okay, that works. Wait, let me look at
And
the.
then receive is done through channels, so we don't really need self.socket ever
Yeah. Um.
in UDP tracker.
Yeah. Is there
Okay,
really
deleted that, and that caused 2 errors.
the
Okay,
socket
this
sock?
one.
Oh,
Oh, that's really that. See, I already did everything. Already did it. So I just deleted it in 2 places, and it just works now.
yeah.
I just need to delete it from here. Message received. Okay.
Okay, then yeah, then there's send message.
Server.
Okay, that should be fine.
So I'll do that server, and then we no longer need the socket here. Don't need this. Don't need that.
Okay.
Match socket.
Sets the tracker itself. Okay, I'm trying to get caught up to speed
So we don't
here.
need this. Pure socket out of pure ID.
Okay, so yeah, if
So
you
server message. So it's F2. Why did I not? I don't know. It was I just did it automatically because
actually
it was muscle memory, but I just realized it's F2 and Z.
processing layers here. Okay, so oh well.
What's it called? Message receiver. Server.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Oh,
Server.
nice. Okay, so let me look.
UDP server new sock.clone.
And like,
Okay. So
yeah.
we shouldn't create the socket. So this thing is totally like not dependent on the socket anymore. So we shouldn't create the socket until so none. Okay, so we don't need to do this anymore.
Where are you planning on creating the socket in the?
In none.
Huh?
In none right here.
Hold on, I'll jump to you.
Or we can just go here. We can just create it in UDP server new.
Yeah,
What am I
yeah,
doing?
yeah. That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah,
As
you do that then. Could you
yeah,
do
yeah,
that?
yeah. I'm
So make
not.
it not taken UDP socket. Well, you can make it taken like an option adder in case later down the line you want to add like the support for specified um
Mhm.
support for specifying where the thing goes. But
Yeah.
we shouldn't need to provide this anymore.
Okay, that should be. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. Option is just IP adder, right?
No, it should be socket adder. 'Cause socket adder
Oh, right.
includes support.
The
Yeah.
yep, yep.
IP adder would be pointless.
Yeah. Okay, so the option socket adder, and then okay, I'm just gonna basically yank the logic from here. Um,
Well, you don't here. No, just don't do that. Here.
why not? Why not? Because that's the socket creation logic now.
Yeah, but here just do like. Wait, you don't need this anymore. You don't need the socket. Wait, what are you doing?
All right, right.
So option and then just do like let adder equals option. Oh no, it would be adder dot unwrap or default. This so this
Default should just be 0.0.0, right?
default is not satisfied for socket. So socket adder doesn't have a default. So never mind. So you
Okay.
could do
Unwrap
unwrap or
local loopback.
um socket adder. Does it have any constants that we can use?
I doubt it.
No, it doesn't.
It should just be fine to do it on. No, no, no. Dude, just do it on. From. Just do it from 0. Here with loopback. It should be fine, right? Unless. Oh, right, the port. Okay, what's our default port gonna be then?
0. Remember?
Oh,
Our
right.
base is
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So from there. Okay. I can't. Oh yeah. I can't really copy that whole thing yet. So, well, I guess okay. This is just a bind then. Equals
Yep, got
UDP.
that. You do that. I'm gonna handle dealing with whatever this is.
Yeah. Yeah. You should be able. Yeah. You should be able to delete most of that. Adder.
One argument. None.
Yeah. Like oh, wait. I should feel unwrapped.
Okay, UDP.
Correctly. Should be no problem with that. Bind. What's an arc now? Arc. No. Okay. Okay. There you go.
Okay, and then we have server.
Server match
arc.
server.
Server. Okay, so we have server down.
Mm-hmm.
Expected. Do we really need this to be? I don't think we need this to be an arc, actually.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Yeah, we're good.
And the server in UDP tracker? Are you
Yeah, I don't think we need that to be. I'm pretty sure it wasn't before, so I don't see why it would need to be.
Are you
New server.
Mm,
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It wasn't. It wasn't
okay.
the arc before.
All right. All right. I guess we always if
Uh,
it does cause problems, we can just come back and fix it.
and also I want to change. I want to have adder and URI. String, just so we can have it better for logging later on.
Yeah.
URI.
Okay.
Okay.
So okay, what else are we missing? Should be the new
Okay, we have
function.
15. Well, okay, so
Oh, sorry,
we
bottom.
can remove. We have the URI. We have an option server.
Mm-hmm.
Pure socket adder.
Here, I'm gonna work on
We
the
should require
task.
this. We should require this. an option.
Yeah.
Info hash. So we take in the URI of the tracker, and then we take in server that runs under. That's an option. The info hash, the peer socket adder, and the peer ID.
Mm-hmm.
So this is for us. Okay.
Yeah.
So why not create our own? Just create our own peer object and send that over. Like create like a peer object for ourselves.
Well, I mean, I guess that's fine. We just need to be careful with the variable naming, just so we don't
Yeah.
confuse anyone. But I think that's fine. I mean, peer basically does encapsulate all of this, and we're about to get past like 6 arguments for this function.
Yeah.
Um,
That would clean up this function quite a bit.
yeah,
Or we're gonna take like a tuple and just have like peer info or something. But that is kind of counterintuitive.
yeah,
I don't
that's
know.
nah. I mean, the there's more unnecessary logic with the peer struct, but I think that's I think that's fine. Um,
Because we could also just do this. So be like um here. You just do like peer info,
okay, guess what?
peer ID, and then socket adder. Oh, I also do that.
Let me see. Peer info. I guess. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I do kind of like that a bit more. I think I feel like that keeps it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I just yeah, I do. Okay.
Okay. Okay, that works.
Okay.
And I'm gonna rename peer socket adder to um so, peer socket. Well, how do would I even name this?
I don't know. Hell
Um,
if I know. You
peer adder.
URI
I don't
server.
think it needs to be peer
A
ID.
that's an
I
option.
don't think we need this.
I gotta do my phone. I think I started it buzz, but no. Okay, I guess not. Let me at least scroll up and see.
Okay, peer adder.
Why is that not? Okay, yeah. Server's optional because that should just create. Yeah, in there.
I
Okay.
feel that by the name exists in self. Wait, what? Shouldn't need
That
this.
makes the issue. That's probably getting too many. Yes, then should be
Don't need this either.
here.
Code does not. Peer cannot find value peer adder. What? There. There you go. Okay, we're good. Peer adder.
That's wrong.
Peer ID and peer adder. Bam. You name that. So now we can optionally provide it a UDP server.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's see. That should not be sum anymore. Should be forced. And then what's that one said? What type is a peer ID? Just a just a
No, it's a struct. Because remember we did all that peer ID enum stuff.
yeah, okay.
Well, it's the enum, it's not struct.
Right, yeah. Okay, so you just want to create new. Okay, I guess that works fine. All right.
Yeah, new or default. New or default. We'll create a peer ID for tortillas.
Okay.
We won't create. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, that seems fine then. Okay. I'm reserve that to be separate. Okay, so that already takes a lot of that away because then we have this. Okay, and then this should be okay. So this should just be peer ID new, and then socket adder. All right, and then will be the receiver is getting deleted, and this should also be none. Correct? Why is that an issue? Oh, wait, comma there.
Where are you? What are you changing?
Just the test right now.
Okay. Okay, got all this. So connect. So we have a centralized UDP server that will handle all the transactions and stuff. That will handle all the messages,
Yeah.
things of that nature, and also handle broadcasting all the messages to the correct places.
Okay, that seems fine. Okay. Look, cannot find value shared socket. Okay, how are we gonna get the, let, let's add a, we'll just wrapper function for the UDP tracker struct, just the local adder.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I can just throw that in real quick.
Well, where is it?
It's literally just, a function for getting the local adder.
Oh, okay.
Function local adder. It should be pub by default, yeah. Returns a socket adder, I believe. Right? I'm gonna guess.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I guess it should do that. Turns a socket adder. And that should be, let's see, so self dot server dot to add something to server for local adder. Local adder. Okay, look at this. Oh wait, not self. Reference to self. Reference to self. Self. That's sort of local adder, and server is up here. So I'll just add a little function for that. So just pub function. Local adder takes any reference to self. Returns a socket adder, and then let's just self dot socket dot local adder dot unwrap, and actually I guess that should all return a result, shouldn't it? Yeah, it should. Okay, so it should be a result. Should pass that. I guess, well, I guess it doesn't have to. Expect enum. What does that mean? Huh?
It's erroring because result, we have a special what's it called? We have a special thing for result, remember? We have a special type for it,
Yeah.
like a type alias at the top of the file.
Oh, wait, what?
Only allows, yeah. We have
Huh?
a type alias for results at the top of the file.
Oh, seriously? Hold on, let me look. Oh, yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I guess we can just handle that at the lowest level then, I guess. I don't really know what else to do about that.
Just wait, what? What do you just put dot unwrap? That function probably it shouldn't return a result anyway. Like that function isn't going to fail.
Yeah, but still, if it returns.
So just put it shouldn't pub fn local adder just shouldn't return a result at all.
No, okay.
Just put dot unwrap and the result. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be fine. All right. Did I delete something that I shouldn't have? No, it's fine. Right? Right. Yeah. Okay.
No idea.
Hopefully. You have the tracker, and okay, so like tracker dot local adders. So actually local that. Okay, apparently I ended up not using. Wait, huh? Oh, it's not pub. I didn't make a pub. Okay. Story of my life.
Yep.
Pub. Okay, let me just. Apparently, I'm not actually gonna use this right now, but I guess whatever. It's not. Why am I not getting? Huh?
Okay, let's see what other errors I can fix.
Why am I not getting? Why can I not call local adder on a newly created UDP tracker? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's pub function. That is a UDP track. Oh, 'cause it's not unwrap. Oh, okay, I'm stupid.
Okay. Yeah,
Unwrap.
half these aren't required anymore.
There we go. Okay.
Here ID.
I get the problem with this is that we're creating a new UDP manager um for every tracker, aren't we?
Well, we shouldn't be anymore. Should just be passing it around. That's what the original code that I was doing.
Oh, right. Yeah,
Just
because I
yeah.
could do that. I just forgot to add that. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, so let me do UDP server is equal to UDP server new. Um, we don't need to, yeah, we don't need to do a socket adder. So we just do that and just let it, oh, and then just none. And then in the server field, I have to hover this because I just got awful editor. And I can just do some UDP server. There we go. Okay, that seems to be reasonably happy with me. Okay.
UV tracker. Takes URI, none, and flash and pure info. Okay, that's right. So why are you still mad at me?
Pure
Is there syntax error?
no, and then
Closing limiter.
adder, and then some UDP server. Oh my god, what are you mad
What
about?
are you mad at me?
Oh, yeah, you don't want the socket anymore, do you? You want that. Okay, there we go. That should be. Oh, found future. That should just. It should be. Oh, right, because that will actually be. Let's still wait, I guess. So. Why is that? Why is this like this? Yeah, no, unless. Oh, does UTP server support clone out of the box? I guess.
I guess not. Well, oh
No,
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 you're
no, it
supposed to wrap it in
does.
arc. That's what you're supposed to do.
Oh, okay. I wait. Yeah, but that no. Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. Because
Well,
well,
it
okay.
wasn't being stored in itself as an arc, but we were supposed to pass it in as an arc.
But if we pass it in as an arc, we have to store it as an arc.
Nope. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. This
yeah,
is what I did.
yes,
Well, okay. Where are
yes.
you? Where are you?
You do. So we can either clone the struct itself, which works because everything is just an arc, um, or we can
Where are you?
line 1157.
Jesus.
I know. We're in the thousands now. Uh, there we go. You see it?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the problem?
No, well, no, it's not a problem. We can't pass it in as an arc because then we need to store it as an arc, which we can, but if you don't
The
want to store it
original
as
code had this as an arc though.
you can try that. It's gonna need because we're not storing it as an arc. We're storing it as just the struct itself, which is fine because we can just clone it. But then, well, cloning is also fine because every field in the UDP server struct is an arc. So take that as you will.
Mm.
My vote is we just clone it. Like it doesn't. Yeah. No.
Mute the VOD.
I did. I did. It'll be fine. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that works. Yeah, you can just clone it.
Yeah. Yeah. That and that like I
I
mean
can't make. Does it implement copy too? Wait, imagine.
I mean does it actually?
Implements copy. Oh, never mind, bro. I got scammed. I got scammed. I got scammed.
You
But
sound
implement
you sound like my girlfriend's
implementing
little brother.
copies is like, bro, what? Bro, implementing copies is like the holy grail of Rust. Like,
I know.
if your struct can implement copy, like you're set for life.
I
No
know.
lifetime errors, no nothing.
I know.
So yeah.
Why is there someone? Is that Kendrick Lamar in the background?
No, I just live in a loud neighborhood.
How? Average California neighborhood.
Yeah, just California. Yeah, just California. Yeah, it's very loud.
I can
Yeah,
I can tell.
I should probably turn on noise suppression.
Nah. Oh, you don't have noise suppression. Why are you not using noise suppression?
'Cause then you can like hear me better, you know?
Come on, man. I'm gonna fire you, man. Like, dude. Look. I mean, like,
Uh,
we both know that you need this like 89 cents. Like you can't.
it's like how much you've made cumulatively.
It is. It is.
Chat, subscribe. He's making no money. Makes no
Bro,
bread.
I'm a college student, man.
He's broke.
I
Chat,
am broke.
subscribe.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That was just like a type error in there. Okay.
There's one warning that we have. URI is never read. URI was only supposed to be for logging. So, let's just. I'm just gonna look. Tracker URI every time you do URI. So just do that.
There you go.
So every time you see like tracker URI in the instrument, just change that to tracker adder.
Okay.
Change that
Yeah.
to URI.
That seems fine. That seems appropriate. Okay.
You can probably just do a find and replace for this.
Yeah. Okay, if that... Let's make sure we're going to run this again, but if that works... Okay, what else do we want to do? This is definitely a commit, but what else do we want to do after this? In terms of refactoring.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Adder. Hold on 1 second. It's all matches. Okay, so let me run this real quick and I will have an answer.
Okay.
I'll go Clippy.
Hopefully.
Your next test.
I say that, but probably gonna break.
Okay, it works.
Nice. Okay. Okay, so that's a commit because yeah. Okay, so we moved. Okay, what did we do exactly? We moved. We stopped using a separate socket, and just used UDP server entirely for everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If you want to commit that, I think that's good.
Refactor.
Okay. The AI is failing us now.
Refactor UDP tracker to
That's not really accurate.
use
Yeah.
centralized socket.
Those fancy technical words. We're gonna sound so
What?
smart. What? I'm not saying about
We,
you.
we.
Look.
I don't know, man. Did you see a clear quality difference in our issues? I don't know, man. You're the one who's supposed to, like, write, be a blogger.
I know. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Let's calm down here.
Whoa.
Here. Okay. Both files are tracked. That seems appropriate to commit.
Okay, commit, push. Now what's next? We need to implement the tracker instance correctly. So we need to edit that trait. And so now our next commit should be moving off of tracker trait and moving to tracker instance.
Right. Okay. That seems reasonable. Let me hold on. Actually, never mind. Okay, so
this no longer needs after these things.
Yeah, I know. So we're gonna take tracker trait.
All it needs is so the only difference between Connect UDP and Connect is the use of a manager. It's the only difference. So why not just have option?
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
And then delete this.
That should be an ARC UDP server.
Well, I don't think. Oh
It
no, we didn't
was.
use that Narcan test. No.
Oh wait. Why was it? Oh yeah. No, you're right. I don't. Wait, what? But no. But the. Oh, hold on. No, but this function was. Oh wait.
Yeah, but we never actually implemented this function, so we didn't like use it.
Point
We haven't
taken.
used this function once. Yeah.
Okay. Point taken.
Uh,
Okay. Option UV
wire.
server.
Oh wait, you didn't put the name.
Yeah.
So
That. Okay. That seems fine. Okay. Hold on. I gotta run to the bathroom. I'm gonna find a Subway Surfers video to put in the background.
yes, you do that. I'm gonna go get some like juice or something to drink 'cause I'm thirsty, and then yeah, we can come back in like 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Okay.
You gotta keep chat's attention span.
Yep.
Yep.
There we go. I've already watched 6 minutes of this. Why have I watched? Okay. Bro, that's actually so atrocious.
You gotta turn on the audio too.
Oh, you're right. Oh, maximum retention.
Exactly. Like chat.
Let me hold on.
You got this. You got this.
There we go. Like right. Right there. Okay. And then we gotta put. We gotta right. Hold on.
All right, chat. We'll be back in a second. Dun, 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 dun. All right, chat. I'm back. A little bit before Oscar, but you know it's fine. Let's get to this. So we are now moving off tracker trait and into tracker instance. So if there should have an option UDP server. Okay.
All right. Okay, we're back. Safely there.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, he's there.
Yes. Okay. So I think that we should do one more thing before we start moving to tracker instance, and it's use more try to use more generic what's it called? Try to use more generic parameters for each tracker. Like the tracker request is its functions, the input that it requires is essentially identical for both HTTP and UDP trackers.
Uh-huh.
So remember how we have the tracker request in mod.rs?
Yeah.
You should try to standardize this to fit both UDP and TCP. I mean UDP and HTTP trackers.
Ah, okay. So what you're saying that this should be for the announce request struck, which was previously the
Yeah.
tracker request struck,
Yeah,
right?
I renamed this. I renamed this like while you were gone to
Yeah.
announce request.
Yeah. I was gonna say, that should just that that should be the same for every
Yeah,
um.
essentially. But the difference is UDP wants that as bytes
Mhm.
and also has extra stuff like connection ID and transaction ID, but that is fine because I know how to fix that. But and then it has like similar stuff that's essentially exactly the same.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
So yeah,
yeah, why not just do an option for the other stuff and then just implement from bytes and 2 bytes. Or no, no, sorry, just from bytes. I think whatever it is, the bytes. You know what I'm talking about.
yeah,
Yeah, 2 bytes.
we could do that, but we have more than one tracker request. Here's what I'm thinking.
Mm.
Um, you see where we have tracker announce.
Let me look.
We go to UDPRS line 157.
Yeah, yeah.
So wait, is this the? Oh, that's a response. No, I mean request. Sorry. So request, announce request. That's 111. Um,
Hmm.
so this is announce request. This is what announce requires back. I mean
Hmm.
requires is required to receive.
Yeah.
No, actually, I don't. Okay, now I'm thinking about this. I don't see the benefit in doing this now because
I mean,
why? Why would we need this to be here?
um, that's a good question.
Because there's not much of a reason for this to be here. Now I'm thinking about it. Now we can share because we don't need to use this struct like anywhere else. There's no reason to standardize it because we're only using it in two places and we're not using the struct anywhere else.
Yeah.
And the sender and receiver is only sent for isn't a request. We send it to wait. Do we? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tracker stats and tracker update is okay. No, we're fine. We're
Hold
fine.
on.
We're fine.
You're you're rattling so many things off. I think I
Okay,
understand
yeah.
what you're doing.
Okay. I think um we need these docs for this. So I'm just gonna move this here. Oh, hold on.
Oh, that reminds
Here.
me. We should also add docs for the functions that we've made because we've kind of
Yep,
not done
definitely.
that. But yes. Um.
Okay, delete this. Don't need this anymore. Yay, that caused 7 errors. Wait, what? How did that
Let's
cause
see.
7 errors?
No field IP on tracker request. Non-permanent cast for self.compact. Hold on. Let me look at the disks. I don't exactly understand what you did. Go ahead. Do it. Do whatever you
Oh
gotta do.
God. Hold
Oh my
on.
god, what'd you do?
No, I know what I did. I know what I did. I know what I did.
Oh no. Here's an option that you
IP
changed.
option IP adder. There.
And then
Uh,
that changes
IP
that. Oh no, man.
key. Uh, fuck. Uh,
Hold on. Let
okay,
me
so this.
look. We can just unwrap.
Okay, I got it.
I think.
I think I got it. The IP, RTs here, UDP here, handlers listening on, compact. Uh, oh. Um,
You got this, buddy. I don't, but you got this.
not or true.
Okay, and then that should just be some. And okay, we should definitely get add patch this because we changed the connect function. Don't want to include that in this change.
True.
There you go. Okay.
What did you say?
We should definitely. Let me really. When we commit this, we should definitely get patch it. Um, just
Oh,
be.
yeah, I can do that in lazy. Hold on, let me just open up my terminal.
Oh my god.
BitTorrent. But you won't get credit for it if I do that. No,
Oh.
no, no, no. I will, because you will, because I can commit it. I can push it inside Zed.
What?
Oh no, that's
No, no.
no, no. I can't. No, no. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I know
Yeah,
how to do
yeah,
it. Okay.
yeah. You have to add me as a contributor.
I know how to do this. I know how to do this.
Uh,
Okay. To do this, I have to go here, and then, bam.
if I lose my commit, mad.
Okay. It says connect UDP. Oh wait. Oh no. Not want to stage that. So how about I'm gonna stage this whole file, then I'll remove
Just. Oh my god.
this. I'll remove this and this.
Okay.
Okay, that works. Okay, and then I'll go here and there. That yep, that worked in Zed. Okay,
Okay.
or that appears in Zed. You can see which ones are staged and what isn't.
Okay.
This would be refactor, remove, um, add docs to tracker request and remove unused struct.
Okay. He's cooking. He's cooking with
See,
gas.
like, see. So now this stuff is still here in the diffs. See, because I did
Yeah.
it with lazy get.
Good job, buddy. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Okay.
Let me just stay here.
Now,
I can do that one.
um,
Um.
what did you say?
Here,
Well, you don't need to commit that yet, but I guess sure you can.
I
If
mean,
those extra
yeah.
commits in.
Yeah. Bro, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I feel like that's
Nah,
one.
bro,
It's one
you got
refactor.
that.
Okay, bro. Okay. Refactor. Removed. Oh, what was the function name? Let me look at the remove connect UDP and added and added added option UDP server instead to connect instead. I cannot type connect. Oh my god. Okay, add that, commit that. There we go.
Yep.
Okay. We have okay here. Let's do docs if that's all right with you. Just for stuff
Yeah.
um like announce. Announce has no documentation on it whatsoever. That would be
Yep. Sounds good.
yeah. Here I'm gonna have to pull up the BEP for this. I think it should be BEP 15, right?
Yes. Well, Bet15 is for specifically UDP peers, UDP trackers, by the way.
Oh, you're right. Okay, it's gonna be BEP 3 for the strict definition of announce. Okay. Just because I forget the definition of announce. Okay. So, well, announce is just a request to the tracker for peers, right?
Yes. Announce is just pretty much all it does is it requires the tracker for different for our peers, basically. Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. Great. Um, announce, and we do that.
Actually, let me check what information we get from the announce because I think UDP specifically gives us a little bit more information than HTTP announce responses.
Mhm.
The announce response gives us back an interval, the leechers, and the seeders, which is information that we could possibly display to the user later on.
Yeah.
The leechers and seeders there are,
Mhm.
or from that tracker, and then well, what does HTTP give back?
Not to interrupt you, but one thing. Are we on? Okay, so in the announce function around line 800, uh, we don't provide a way to input a pre-made request, which means that we never the the downloaded, uploaded, left, um, and some other fields are always zero, or or the default, which I don't think we want that.
You are right.
So wait, okay, hold on. We can call this function from. This is a public function. Ooh, it's not. Wait, okay, so that should be.
No, what we can do is so remember how originally we were going to have like a TX and RX to send a tracker update?
Ah, okay, so we're gonna.
Remember
Yeah,
that?
yep. Okay, I see where you're going with this.
Hello?
Yeah,
Oscar?
yes.
Okay, so we can have so I don't know what this key is for. I don't know what key is
I
in numWant.
don't know either.
Um,
Good luck.
but yeah, I have no idea what that is. But we have so you have the tracker update. Just we can use self values basically for this.
Hmm. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, yeah, that should be all right. And then yeah, because it's self.getPeers. This is what we
Yeah.
actually call, right? Yeah, right.
No, you call it self.announce stream, remember?
Oh, right. Okay, okay. Sorry, there's so many functions at this point. I
Yeah, they do the
forget.
same thing. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Well, wait. No, 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 no. We call get peers from outside. Um.
Oh yeah, that's what because that's because of tracker trait, remember?
Oh, yep. Okay. 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 Hate that trait so
So much
much.
dry code. Yeah,
I know.
tracker trait is just like, oh
It's
my
bad.
goodness.
I know. I know. Okay. Um. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, there's string peer. Okay, so tracker trait. When can we just remove tracker trait?
There's so much relying on it still.
I know.
Like basically the entirety of engine RS is relying on it,
Oh shit, you're right. Yep.
and
Okay.
so is yeah,
Okay.
and so is a lot of our tests. So
Yeah. Point taken.
any test any test that requires us to like fetch real peers is relying on tracker trait. So
Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be a pain to remove, isn't it?
yeah,
Okay. Ay ay ay. Okay.
don't worry,
So
I'll do it.
I I, I damn damn. Okay then. Okay then. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So you fix your stuff with. Wait. Oh, do we want to go ahead and change this? Where are you? Oh. Um.
What happened?
No, no. We should go ahead and change this stuff and announce right to, like self dot download or whatever it is, or I think it's self dot
Yeah, exactly.
statistics stats dot. Oh, we have to lock that. Okay, that's gonna be a pain.
Can't we just use atomics for this?
Let me look at the stats. Yes, you should be able to. I think instead of doing an arc mutex. Um, where's the stat struct? The stat struct is. I'm looking for it. Looking for it. Looking for it. There it is. Wait, no, that's tracker request. Where is, huh? Okay, it's just non-existent. What? There it
What do
is.
you
Oh
mean?
my
What are you
God.
looking for?
Okay, okay, tracker stats. Yeah, I don't see why we couldn't use atomics for that instead, if you want to. We should almost definitely provide wrapper functions for it though, so we don't have to include a bunch of ordering in every time we update tracker stats. Okay, so let's make that our next refactor if that's all right with you. Um,
Yes. Also, are we standardizing tracker stats? Because I don't remember if we're still using the like each HTTP and UDP have their own tracker stats. I don't remember if we're still using that.
shit. Let me look. It should be no, it should be the same. No, let me look. Tracker. Yeah, there are different. Okay, so there's request attempts. Okay, request success. Announce attempts. Oh, they are. No, they are slightly different because there's for UDP there's
Well,
connect and announce, and for HTTP
well,
there's
we don't.
only request.
Well, we can just change them. We don't really need connect attempts because we have a timeout now where it just will not allow us to connect. So you don't really
Okay.
need that anymore.
Okay, and then okay, so past that, it.
So we can just have like announce attempts or total announces.
Yeah, we would have to. No, yeah, that's okay. I think they should be fine. Okay, so we can remove connect successes and connect attempts.
Yeah.
Okay, we can. Okay, we have total peers received, which is the same. Bytes sent, bytes received. We have last successful request on HTTP tracker stats, and then we have last successful announce on the stuff for UDP. That, I mean, that's basically the same thing, no? So
Well, for
that's
UDP, we can just have it as like last message sent, I guess.
yeah, okay,
Or
okay. So
last underscore interaction.
yeah, last interaction. Okay, that's fine. Um, and then for consecutive failures, is that an HTTP only thing or what is that?
Consecutive failures. I think that was something old for how many times in a row we failed. I think it was like me attempting to do retry logic like a really long time ago.
Okay, so would
So I
that be
don't think
fine to
that's
drop?
necessary now. Yeah, it's fine to drop.
Okay,
Yeah, you can
yeah.
remove
So in
that.
that case, yeah, we could just use tracker stats for everything. Okay, so let me write a, um,
This is
yeah,
like ChatGPT. It's
yeah.
ChatGPT.
No. I'm gonna let me just use the, hold on. Oh, I guess. Hold on, look, because I need to use this specific instant. The specific atomic instant that I want. Atomic
Okay.
option.
What do you need to do? You're doing that.
Option. I honestly don't know. Um,
What file are you editing right now? Mod.rs?
yes. Sorry, I was thinking.
You're editing Mod.rs. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go in and remove the stats from UDP and HTTP and adjust them to your struct.
Okay, yes, that should be fine because we're not gonna be directly accessing those fields. I'm gonna have ChatGPT make getter and setter methods for this. So
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
yeah, let
Let
me
me just
yoink.
check
Let me
that.
see. Um,
So I forgot I put stats on the server instead of individual trackers,
okay,
which
that's
well no, the server and the server itself will have stats and then each individual tracker will have stats, which isn't good because I don't want stats on the tracker.
yeah,
I mean on the server. I don't want stats on the server. The server shouldn't have stats.
yeah, that should be fine. And make getter and setter methods for each. Use what ordering are we using? I constantly forget this. Let me look. Ordering. It should be ordering release and then oh wait, yeah, acquire and release. Okay. Use ordering acquire and release. I cannot spell acquire for the life of me. Ordering acquire and release for both of these. Okay.
This,
Let's see why. Oh,
uh,
okay, I was gonna say like, is it actually? Bro, dude, it's trying to. Oh my god. Okay, well that should be fine. Bytes sent, bytes received. Why is it? This is the most. Dude, what kind of documentation is this? Oh my god, that's actually so dumb. Okay, well it works fine, but it has, dude. Look at. This
what?
is why this is why AI is not taking my job. Hold on, let me copy and paste this. You're gonna laugh at the comments it put. Oh wait, why did I not copy that? Hold on. Got to manually click or something. I don't know, man. Hold on. Yeah, look in mod.rs. Let's change a few these around. But
Why did we
like,
need? Isn't this already a thing?
isn't what?
The
Oh,
atomic instant.
oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it made that because I didn't realize that that existed. Hold on, that can be. Yeah, that can all be
Yeah.
deleted.
And don't these need to be arc?
No, they're atomics.
I swear I'm having deja vu. I swear I've asked you that exact question before, and you're like, "Oh yeah, they need to be cloned." So yeah,
Wait.
they should be
Oh.
arc.
Oh. Wait. You are right. You're right. No. No. You're right. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they still have to be cloned. The reference. Yes. I could have
That
made
feeling.
a Vim macro for this dude. Damn it. Do we not import arc? Can you import arc? Okay, I'm definitely making a Vim macro for this. Okay, so Q, arc, new,
Implement debug.
end of line, down, FA, Q. Let's try this. At Q. Ah, I messed it up. At Q.
Okay, so there's that. So
Okay,
we
I
have
almost did
all
it.
this UDP server. You don't have to manage that now. So we have new, blah 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 blah, blase. See, retry.
Oh
Not
man.
respond.
Dude, see this. Okay. Why is it mad
Okay.
about that?
Okay.
It's not visible to private. Did I not import it or something? Oh, maybe. Huh? Huh? What do you mean? No, topic options is there. Yeah, no, it's there. What? So confused. Oh, okay. So that needs instant from. Oh, wait. Oh, he doesn't want STD time. Maybe it does want ins. Oh wait. Well, I guess maybe I can do. Let me see.
What are you naming the implementation, by the way, for adding bytes? So would it be similar to our peer, peer state,
Huh?
where we have, you know
What now?
how like in peer state we have like almost the exact same thing?
Yeah.
Um, how what would you want to name like the updating of bytes? So would we do like uh
Just set.
increment bytes
No. Just
uploaded?
no. Just set and get.
You don't want to you sure you want to set instead of increment, like, so that means it'll add to it.
I'm gonna be a Java fanboy. Get and set are standard Java. Uh,
That wasn't what we were doing before, because you need a
wait.
specific no, you need do okay, Oscar.
Wait. Hold on. In peers state.rs, we use we use get and set.
Increment.
Oh, we
Yeah.
do. Would you look at that? Okay. Okay.
Dude,
Point
this guy.
point taken. Okay. So just increment it. Yeah. Announce it. Okay. That seems fair.
We
Okay.
need a specific function with atomics to add.
Yeah. No. That's fine. I can. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna do that by hand. I'm not gonna try and like prompt ChatGPT. That's gonna be so much more of a pain. Okay, what was this?
Copy paste the pure state code, like it's almost exactly the same. And just
Uh,
change some function name.
no, it's fine. Let's do
And are you implementing? Oh, you're implementing default.
the
Can't this all just be implemented with default automatically? I swear this can.
can what?
I'm pretty sure this can all just be implemented with like
Like the
by
getters and setters?
default. This thing what you're doing right now. I'm pretty sure this can all just be like
Oh,
I don't.
oh, oh. Also, the other thing, the other problem that we have is that um,
Oh,
Atomic Instant uses the STD, not Tokyo, so that's kind of a problem. Um,
Is it a problem? Like, what issues does it cause?
Well, it doesn't cause any issues, but we're using the time from we're using the instant struct from SCD and not Tokyo.
I'm pretty sure Tokyo has a really lightweight into, like, or from.
No, no, it,
We
it
can use like
does.
try into.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, if you think that's fine, we
If
can do that.
if it's yeah, we can just do that.
Okay. Okay, so we would
So we
have
can't implement that manually.
yeah. Is there any reason that we would have decrement announce attempts?
What do you mean?
Like, is there any reason that we would decrement any of these? Like, there's no reason, but excuse me, just to
Jesus.
just to clarify.
Oh.
Okay.
Uh.
I don't think so. It's fine. I got this.
Yeah, we wouldn't. There's
Increment
no reason for us to. Yeah.
let cur equals self dot announce. Oh wait. Oh. Look at this. Look at this. We can do self dot get announce attempts. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then store cur plus one. Oh my God! You broke everything. Oh, it's fine now. Okay.
Okay.
Increment. Yeah, I agree. I'm probably once we do this, I'm probably gonna get off. Sorry. Yeah.
I
Okay,
got it.
Get
Okay, till 12.
successes. You got this, buddy. Got this.
Oh, actually, I have to play OCJ. I forgot.
Oh my God, bro. Prioritize. Prioritize.
Yeah, and I have to play Valorant. I forgot to play Valorant today. Oh no, my streak is gonna end.
Wait. Hold on. If
No,
I
it
was.
ended. No, I'm so mad. No, I'm so mad. It
Yeah.
ended. It ended.
No way. No way.
No. No, my streak ended. My 90-day Valorant streak ended.
Oh, 90 days. 90 days. Oh my God.
No, I'm actually upset. No, I'm actually upset. No, no,
I'm
actually upset.
sorry. I'm sorry for your loss.
No, I'm actually upset.
I'm sorry for your loss, sir.
No, I'm actually upset now.
I'm sorry for your loss, sir.
That took 3 months, dude.
Oh my God. Dude, that's so bad. Yeah, I was gonna try and get Valorant working tonight after I get off.
Good luck.
Yeah, I know.
Sad.
You're gonna be fine.
Increment.
You're gonna be fine.
Increments. Bytes sent. So this is a receive retry. Increment. Bytes. Increment. Bytes received.
Oh right. Oh yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do that. That's gonna be. Yeah, because bytes receive is not just a single one. Oh, incremental appears receive is also like that. Value needs to be. Hold on. I did a little silly. I was a little bit. Okay, so this should also be. Value is. U size.
Response dot.
That should be fine. Increment bytes receive.
Can I not turn? Oh god.
What?
Hold. No, it's fine. I got it. Receive. And that returns. Okay. The response RX tracker response. I'm about to change something here in the server thing. Change this to send a U size and a tracker response. Oh, what did I do that? There. So now, in the one place where this
see. Why is that? Oh, right. That should be Tokyo time. Yeah, there we go. Should be.
Okay, that works. And then here.
This is labeled Nike, but atomic instant, atomic option instant only supports.
Okay, so add the size to this. Now, here, do size spots. And here, let's do this. Stats, increments, size.
That should not be unwrap. Huh? Call as. Oh, is that? I see.
Okay, increments weights received.
Should be fine.
And so let's replace that with error. And send.
Oh, okay. Hold it.
And
That should be.
Okay.
That should be into STD. There we go. Okay, get sessions start is going to be the same thing.
That's
Just note this up here.
right, sent.
Okay, that's all usages of
Okay.
instant.
Okay, that works. Bam. Send and wait. So this one reconnection times this would be increment. Now it's attempts.
Center method is as an example. This is the most monotonous work ever.
Increment. Announce success.
Just be into, I think. There we go. And that this should be dot into std. Set session start. Well, that. Yeah, no, that's fine. Wait, actually, set session start should just be now, shouldn't it be? Yeah.
What did you say?
No, I was just saying set session start and stuff should be just now, just instant now.
Yeah.
Like set last interaction stuff. Dot into std. There we go. Oh, wait, do you want that to be some
Statistics. Announce though.
option? You want option. Okay, so you want some.
That's they call
Dot into std. Into std. Okay, and then this
that's
should be the same.
now increment announce attempts.
Some instant now dot into std. Oh, what are you mad about? If it's struck. Oh, right, because you literally want an option. Oh, nice. Okay, you're nice. Okay, so do that. Okay, let's see. Is that right? Okay, that seems right. Okay, we've get announce attempt, we've increment announce attempt, we do that, increment announce attempt, we do that, increment announce success.
Announce successes.
Yeah, you should be good to go for this stuff. Yeah.
Increments.
I'll start fixing the errors with you.
Yep.
Okay. that's really, yeah, okay, that's kind of just nasty, isn't it? Okay, oh my God.
Is there like, how do you do the last, oh, set last interaction?
Mm.
There.
Field connected temps on, oh, announce attempts dot get announce attempts.
Well, actually, I don't think we should do last interaction here. Last interaction should be on receive. That's fine.
Yeah, I guess so.
Log statistics. And this log statistics function is like dead. I'm just gonna delete it.
Oh, seriously? Oh, well, that makes our lives easy.
Oh yeah, one error now. Okay.
Okay, yeah, just tracker dot
Okay, so
log.
that does.
Is that, huh? That's odd. Did you not make that? Oh, because you just removed that entire. Oh, right, yeah, right. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And so I want to add. So we have the byte. So in receive, we should add last interaction because that is an interaction every time we receive a message. So and receive retry.
Oh, hey, thanks,
Receive
man.
retry.
That means a lot. It's cool.
And then successfully received a message. I'm just gonna put this in the sum little block. Just for
Yeah.
let's see.
How do we get? I was gonna say, how do we get back up to 10 errors?
That's not the last.
Wait, do we still want to log statistics periodically?
No, it's fine.
No.
We can just delete that. All that
Okay.
logic, we can just delete it because that should be handled by the engine. So
Right. Okay. That's okay.
like the statistics is more so for the front end that we're gonna build later on.
Yeah. Okay. That seems, other than the Clippy errors, I think we're chill now.
Okay. Well, that's good. We should do it for the HTTP now.
Yes. Okay. Uh. Right. Okay then. So wait, hold on. We should still. Okay. If that's just never used, I'm just gonna delete that. Um. Yeah. Whatever. Very complex type used. Consider factoring parts into type. Okay, that's nice. Um.
What happened?
The response channels field in UDP server is getting a Clippy error because it's too complex.
Really?
Yeah, we need to we should need to factor into different type definitions, which we should probably do next commit. Just this is focused on moving tracker stats around.
Sure. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
I am always right.
Well, now
Thank you.
Mm.
I'm joking. Okay, let me yeah, so we're doing this for HTTP now, right?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna delete the HTTP tracker stats function and then just wait for that to break everything.
Yeah, that's a tracker stats.
Tracker stats. Oh, that did not do what I wanted to do.
25 errors.
Oh, let me see.
Can we just do default?
I think so, right? Yeah, I should just do default. Okay, do we still want the log statistics function?
No.
No. Okay, well that saves us a bunch of errors. Oh, I pressed a button wrong. There, that should save us on a few errors. Okay.
Why is this being weird? Oh. Sing parentheses. There you go. Okay. Only two errors? Do we just like not use logging here?
I guess not. Oops. Yeah,
Yeah,
where are the other two though? Oh, it's literally just a syntax error. Yeah, do we just like make that struct and just like never use it? Or is there gonna be? Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, okay.
I was gonna say, that's crazy.
Stream peers. I don't think
Oh,
like half the stuff we're gonna end up replacing anyway. So I think we can just kind of like nuke this.
also hold on. Tracker stats does not need to be in a mutex anymore. No, it's an arc. It's all arc atomics.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
you're right.
Yay. Oh, you still make an arc, I guess? I mean,
Do we? I don't. What do we do with UDP? Let me check.
yeah. Or wait, here. Let's see what we do with. No, it should. Yeah, you should check. I don't know. I
Yeah, we
don't
do
know.
have as the arc mutex. We do have it as arc mutex.
Oh, well, it definitely should be a mutex. I don't know about arc. Let me see what we did with the state, um, pure state. Hold on. Let me shift my chair. Okay. See what we did with this. So this should be. Actually, think is this? Yeah. That's okay. So pure state. Yeah. No.
We should probably make it like a stats trait so we can reuse some of this logic.
We could do that too. But yeah, it is not a um. It is not an arc. It is just a struct, and we could probably move the stats logic into a separate file. Um, honestly,
Oh, someone else
because
joined the server.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, yeah. And we could probably we could probably move that into a separate stats file. Um, just because there's no reason to keep it in that main
This
file.
logic is kind of like, repetitive, so
Yeah.
we could definitely move this to like a trait
Okay. Yeah.
or stats.
Here I'll create a stats.rs. I'll put the stats in there, make a trait out of it.
Well, it wouldn't be specific to trackers because we'd apply it to the peers too.
Are you what? Hold on.
Because remember, we have the same like, bytes uploaded, bytes downloaded.
But we're not gonna have the announce.
Yeah,
It's
no, it would implement it. Like it would implement the trait stats because it's technically a statistic logger, or
uh,
not logger, but statistic. It would have statistics on the peer.
wait, hold on. Let me open up Mother. Okay, so you're saying, um, okay, so we're saying we basically just don't include the announce attempts and announce successes in the trait.
Yeah,
Okay. My bad.
and just have the all the bytes and upload rate and whatever.
Yeah,
Um,
that's fine. That's fine.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let me copy all that over. Um. Okay. This goes over here to right, and then right, and then I want to make a trait out of the default stuff. I need to whatever pub that. So you go up here,
It
pub.
wouldn't. I remember it wouldn't go in the tracker folder because we would use it for peers too.
Oh, yep. Sorry. Yep. Okay. My bad.
You moved the wrong file.
God damn it, dude. I'm tired. So tired, dude.
I get
So
that. It's okay. It's okay.
okay. Okay. Um. We don't need to include that anywhere then, do we? Um.
We do in librs.
Oh, okay. Here, let me. Oh, you got that. All right.
That's
Yeah. Oh, wait. No.
it
Cancel.
wouldn't. Okay. Do we want to include tracker stats here?
Um.
I was thinking like we just have the tracker stats there, but we just have like all the functionality. Well, so most of the functionality that
Yeah.
isn't specific to
I
trackers, like session start, last interaction, bytes received,
maybe
and bytes
you're
sent. Like all these things
maybe you're
aren't specific
right.
to
We put that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You're right. Okay. So yeah. Let's make the
But
trait.
this does low key feel like out of scope. That means we would have to refactor the peer too. So that would be out of scope of this PR.
Okay. So maybe we just put it in a separate file for now, and then we do the trait and stuff later.
Y- Honestly, I think we just leave it how it is right now.
Okay. So just go back. I would still like to
Yeah.
have the stats in a different file though.
That would be, but it would be out of scope as PR because we would also refactor the period and the way it works too. So, like having a global stats like a stats file in the root directory of the project,
Yeah, that's kind of out
well,
of scope.
source directory.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So let me.
and just not applying it to the period just would be kind of weird. So I
Yeah.
think we just have that as an issue or like a enhancement, or we create a stats trait
Yeah.
or statistics trait and implement it on peer status or peer state and stuff like that.
Yeah. Here, I'll go open that right now. Um. Implement trait. implement stats trait.
Oh,
For
create stats trait.
yeah.
Create statistics trait and implement it on
Create
tracker stats
statistics
and pure
trait
stats. Pure
and
state.
implement it on pure pure
State.
state or
Yeah.
wait
State.
hold on, do we
Oh, pure state.
oh yeah you're right, we do keep that data on there. Okay, my bad. That's the wrong button. There we go. On pure state, UDP tracker and HTTP tracker. Okay. Currently trackers use a statistic, a
We currently
statistic.
have dry code with between tracker state and well,
Yeah.
tracker statistics and pure state,
Yeah.
and we would like to standardize this. Um, we would like to standardize the process of collecting statistics on all
Okay.
things that send and receive bytes.
Okay. Let me put that more verbosely. However, however, uh, peers and trackers share the same, share a lot of the same statistics. Thus, a trait is needed to blah blah blah. Thus, a trait is needed to minimize dry code. Or the trait is needed to. These. Here, let me also put these statistics are as follows. Hold on, let me push this to 1, and then oh, that's so cramped. Okay, there we go. Here as follows. Bytes sent. Close that now. Let me see where you put that. You put that back in. Oh yeah, you did. Okay.
I'm gonna remove the usage of argmetex and the UDP and
Yeah.
HTTP because you shouldn't need it now.
Bytes received. Last interaction. Is there any other statistics that would be useful to slap in that trait? Let me look at state RS. I feel like
Well, we could use um the both the last interaction and the bytes uploaded to figure out the bytes per second basically.
okay. So oh
That would
right.
be that we
Yeah.
can use both of those functions to get the bytes per second.
Okay. So bytes uploaded and bytes downloaded to as well. Oh well bytes sent. Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
So
we
just
can use
these.
those both to generate like rate basically for like bytes per second or something.
Okay. So just those 3 fields. Just to clarify.
Yeah, and oh, let me see where just okay,
Last
development.
interaction
So
would be
bytes sent, bytes received, last interaction. Those, yes, those will all have to be implemented by the consumer of the trait,
yeah.
and then we'll implement setters for those, I guess.
Yeah.
And then we should have bytes per second, and then
Yeah.
uh bytes in per second, bytes out per second, or something like that.
Okay. That seems fine to me. Okay.
In those variables.
Then tortillas, enhancement, good first issue, low prio, no milestone, blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Uh,
Okay. So
debug, great.
great.
Okay,
Okay.
this tracker stats doesn't implement debug, it's gonna make things a lot more annoying. So I'm gonna try to implement debug for it.
That shouldn't
But the
be
reason why we originally didn't implement debug is because
the atomics.
one of the atomics doesn't implement debug.
I, that's not too hard to do, since we have helper functions now for gutters.
Yeah.
Okay.
The simple default. No,
Debug.
for trackers. Okay, I guess we'll just do that.
Seems. Oh wait, no, that's not great. Hold on. That should be because we have. Hold on.
Yeah.
Self dot get announce attempts. But yeah. That self dot announce successes. What were you mad about?
Expected
Huh?
expected reference found U size.
Does it?
Oh, you had to
Oh.
borrow. You had to borrow.
Yep. Thank you. Self reference total peers received. Oh, get total peers received. Get total peers received. Self dot get total get bytes sent. Self dot get last interaction. Self dot get session start. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. Okay.
Okay. That implements debugs and that saves us a lot. It's good because now we can implement. Oh, but this doesn't implement clone either. Okay.
That should
Oh,
be.
gotta implement clone.
No, we can. It's just an arc. Everything's an arc.
Okay, yeah. Could you add that then?
Derive clone. Okay.
That saves me an error. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we can save that there. Okay.
A lot of
now
these
I
are
need
just
to remove.
the locks. I can
Yeah.
use some of that. Oh, there's no wait. Oh no! I pressed a button wrong. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay, that's fine.
A lot of that actually, because a lot of these places we're defining we're defining stats when we don't really need to anymore. Look at like, oh, that's the wrong file. Yeah, because like that doesn't need to be defined as yeah.
You can probably set a macro for this.
Whoa! I'm not that advanced of a Vimmer. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, great. But yeah, you probably could. Okay, what other? Oh, an HTTP. All right, let me see if there's something about stats. Oh, yep. Well, no. Excuse me. Yeah, and we shouldn't be. Excuse me again. Logging statistics periodically, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's gone. Yep.
Okay, great. Self dot. Self dot stats dot. Oh wait, we're not doing consecutive failures anymore. No, we're not. Okay.
Yep.
Saves us another one. Oh, here's some more. Oh, that's just consecutive failures. Oh, warn, ignore. You're gonna be fine. Are you sure you want to remove the consecutive failures logic? I mean, I don't see the reason for it personally, but
yeah, I'm sure because HTTP isn't really a protocol where you get failures like that.
okay.
Like a
Yeah.
UDP will just randomly drop messages and packets even when the server's still alive. If an HTTP tracker fails, that just means the server is dead.
Yeah.
With UDP, a server can still be alive, but you can still miss messages.
Yeah.
It's just the nature of the protocol.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't think we need consecutive failures anymore.
Okay. Okay, what's the other error? Oh, yeah, just lock again. I want to jump to this file. How do I jump to that file? 311. Self.stats dot increment bytes sent URI dot length Uh, nope, down again. I pressed the wrong button. And then self.stats dot increment bytes received by response bytes dot length. Then like
Yep.
that should be okay. Okay, what's the other error? Oh, same thing again. That was literally just like a little bit more down. Um, okay. Oh, there we go. So self. Okay, consecutive failures can be deleted, and then dot increment. What is it? Hold
One error.
on. So dot request successes. So self dot stats dot increment. Request successes. So announce successes. Self dot stats dot increment till appears received by
Should
response
also be
length.
self dot stats dot increment last interaction. That's last interaction.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just there we go. Okay. I think our two errors our linting errors are just imports. Yeah. And then
Cargo.
the very complex type, but that should still be a separate commit. Um,
Yeah.
okay, if you want to commit
Okay,
this.
I'm gonna run.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
gonna run
yeah,
tests first.
yeah, yeah. Please, thank you.
Cargo. Next test.
Better forget.
Are no capture. Let's see how it goes.
All right.
Oh, I see an error. What's the error?
Uh-oh.
BDP response. Bytes too response too short. Contain action field. Okay, that's odd.
Yeah. Here, can you send me the error?
We're getting an error from this single UDP server, and it says error response too short. Let me just send you the whole.
Yeah, yeah, please, thanks.
And then all four of our trackers are timing out.
Hmm. I mean, no, I mean, could it literally be that all four of those trackers are bad at the moment?
They were just working like a few minutes ago.
Yeah, you're right, but still.
But there's the logs.
Look.
Warn. You're getting a bunch of warnings. Yeah, so it's running like 4 times. It's running like 4 times, and it's still just failing.
Okay. Hold on.
Like it just keeps going over and over again. It's just failing.
Yeah.
So we got 2 failed tests. Test stream with UDP peers and test multiple trackers single UDP server. So
Okay,
both of the UDP tests failed.
okay, so it's definitely something in there. What logic do we change? Did it? Um, I can't say that I
It
know.
says that we're receiving an invalid response from the tracker.
Yeah. I here. Okay, so where's that? Here, let me look at the line number that's on. Checker timed out. Let me see. Like invalid. Response. I didn't say the error.
So it says warn response too short. Expected at least 4 bytes got 0
Okay, yeah.
from this tracker.
Oh, I'm in the wrong file entirely. Failed to parse. Okay, so it's there as far as I know, unless it's. Yeah, no, it's just there. So that's weird because we didn't change any.
Well, I think I know. I think I know what's from.
What is it from?
Yeah, I know. I made the uh, I made receive thing with the UDP server. I made it send the a usize and tracker response. So I got the size for statistics.
Mm-hmm.
And that's something I changed that could be related to this. So
Okay. That would probably. That sounds right, certainly.
that's my theory. It's something to do with that.
Okay.
To do statistics, I need the size of the response that we got, and we don't have a way to serialize tracker responses back into bytes. Like we only have a way to deserialize them. We don't have a way to serialize them back into bytes.
Yeah.
So we need the direct size from the UDP message. So like the raw size, because UDP will give you the size of the message it received.
Yeah.
So yeah. So just use that. I made it send that. So now
Okay. That's.
like it should I send it I made it send it in like a tuple.
Mhm.
I'm trying to
Yeah.
figure out where is that log on uh uh
I'm gonna let you get this one,
expected
buddy, because I don't know where this is.
expected at expected
The
at
logs,
least
maybe.
at least wait, what? Where's this log from? It should say it. Hold on. Let me oh let me do this so I can see the logs. It's not too short.
What is?
Response too short. There it is. Okay. Expected. Okay, so it's an action error.
Yeah.
It's an action. So is this in the action announce, action connect?
I.
Oh, okay. So wait, this is an error that the tracker is sending us, I think. No. If
Hmm.
wait, hold on. Action error if bytes dot line min min error response size.
Why would it?
Error response too short. Wait, I think. Hold on.
Try and run it again. Just see if anything.
Well, it ran like 5 times over
Oh. Okay.
in the terminal. So, uh, okay. Response. Response too short. You can just warrants too short to contain action field. Okay, so response too short to contain action field. So tracker response from by so somewhere we're calling tracker response. So somewhere we're serializing the messages.
Is that? Hold on. Is tracker?
Be on receive. That'll be on the tracker. That'll be on the UDP server where we
Oh right.
start receiver task.
Yeah.
Tracker response from bytes.
Look and see where that is.
Oh, oh, I know where it is.
What is it?
Receive from. It should be received from buff.
Oh.
Receive
Wait.
buff.
Buff from. Yeah.
Buff from. There, that
Okay.
should fix it.
Wait. So why was that? If that was the fix, why was that erroring?
Let me just check. It looks to be like that was fixed.
Okay. Wait. So what was there previously?
Uh, receive from.
Hmm. That. Wait. Okay. So what? Hold on. Let me.
So the difference is, receive from. Actually, you're supposed to input a sized vector that like you're supposed to know the
Oh.
size of what you're receiving,
Mm.
but we had an unsized vector basically. So
Mm.
well, you're not supposed to put a vector. You're supposed to put an array in those.
Okay.
Or if you're not gonna put an array,
Mm.
you have to put a vector that's sized already. So
Okay.
because I just put new, here, so it's
Yeah.
this vector new. That means the size was 0, so the
Okay.
bytes would always be 0.
Okay.
So we'd
That
always receive 0 bytes
that makes sense.
because basically receive from will just fill up the vector with fill up the vector up to its limit with bytes it receives from
Yeah.
the peer. I mean the tracker basically.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But because but receive buff from will just fill it up until like I think it has like a small timeout or something. I think it's slightly less performant, but it's fine.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
just
That
easier.
yeah, that seems fine. Okay. Okay, is that when did you change that? Because you didn't change it this commit, did you?
No, so what happened was I had this was like a vector that had a length on it, and I realized like that was wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So I basically my tab complete put a vector there, just put a vector with a length like a width capacity. So it had a
Oh.
length at the end.
Okay.
I just didn't notice it.
Okay. That
But
seems fair. Okay.
but then I came back when I was refactoring, I noticed that. I was like I just changed it back to vec new because it seemed more optimal. But I didn't remember that this was receive from instead of
Yeah.
receive buff from.
Okay.
So that's why I broke.
Okay, that seems fair. Do you want here, do you want to commit everything then uncommit this bit and commit it separately as a fix?
Sure, I can just control see this. It's fine.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah,
just
yeah.
double check because
It doesn't
all
matter.
4 trackers are timing out now.
Oh, God, bro. Bro. Okay, that has
Um,
to be a tracker issue. Like,
uh, well, it says ready. I'm not sure why it's doing that at all, actually.
oh my gosh.
It's running 4 times, and um, it
That
says receipt
that
message failed trying tracker timed out. Okay, so it's
okay.
saying um,
We can't even connect to the trackers now, is what you're saying?
no, because it is connecting to like 2 of the trackers.
Yeah.
It's
But
connecting to the explodey tracker. It says in the logs that ready state equals ready,
mhm.
and that has a connection ID. So it is connecting for sure,
Okay.
but it isn't and now I'm getting a thing from exponential backoff saying max delay for strategy has been reached.
That's just try to run it again, I guess. I don't because it was just working.
Oh, it wasn't working. Like I just didn't realize it. Like it didn't error at the same spot that it did before.
Oh, okay.
So it wasn't working. And this is and also remember our next test just run like over and over again.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll run for like 200 seconds straight, I think, before it just calls
Yeah.
it a fail.
Yeah.
So I'm
Well,
confused on
here, wait, hold on. Before we do anything else, before we get too deep into this debugging hole, let's let's uncommit the receive buff from
well the
stuff
thing is something I
or
did
unadd.
here is what's causing this.
Oh, okay. Some with the stats, you mean?
Well, something I did in this commit is causing it. So
Hmm.
I have to fix it before committing it because that would be introducing a bug into a commit
Okay.
that wasn't previously there in code
Yeah.
that shouldn't have been edited. So I
Okay.
probably should fix that. So
Yeah.
it's saying error message. I'm just getting a bunch of message timeouts, but
Okay.
the thing is we can't be timing out because we connected. The connection is working.
Yeah. Here. Okay, so it's not an HTTPRS,
So because
obviously.
I can see that no, it's not HTTPRS, it's UDP. So
Uh,
it's in the
I know. I was saying
test stream with the cargo next test our test
okay.
stream
Uh,
test UDP.
that you do that.
Okay.
Hold on.
What
You
about
don't.
test
Well, it
test?
looks like we're not updating bytes received here. I don't know
Where?
hold on. Hold on. 474. It we used to update bytes received here, but now we don't. So here, let
Oh yeah,
me.
I changed that. I changed that. But no, no, no. That was supposed to be like that.
Okay, okay.
because this is in the UDP server, and UDP server itself doesn't have stats.
Oh, right. Okay, my bad, my bad. I got you. All right.
Yeah. So what is? Let me check where.
And then the tracker, we do
Uh,
tracker stats, and
the
then
test multiple.
that stuff.
Okay, so both tests in the UDP thing aren't working, even though
Okay.
they're successfully. So it has something to do with announce.
Okay. Let me go start there, I
It's
guess.
something. Yeah, it's something to do with announce. Definitely, that isn't working.
Yeah. Here, what lines? Here, where is announce? Announce. Oh, I cannot spell announce. Uh,
786.
786. 786. Okay. Um,
Only diffs on this in this
that.
the only diffs here is logging though.
Yeah.
That's to be something that's calling. What is it calling?
Um,
Um,
okay, it calls a bunch of functions, doesn't it? The race
send
date.
and wait.
Okay, send. Okay.
Okay, send and wait does not have any diffs at all.
Okay.
Okay, so but it's calling other functions. So what other functions is it calling?
Yeah.
Send and receive. It's calling that. So let's go to send and receive. And we have more statistics updates. Okay, but then that calls receive retry. That has a change.
Okay. So
And
wait,
the change
hold on.
is in here,
Hold on. Where the hell do
receiving
you
the size
see
and response.
the call to send in? Oh, wait, send in. Wait. Oh. Okay, my bad, my bad.
So yeah, I
Then
made it all the way to receive and retry.
send and receive
And
retry. Okay.
yeah,
That's a
and
change. That's it. Then receive retry. Oh, it does. Hold on, there is something here. Um.
so the changes here are from me adding the U size from the RX
Mhm.
to we can add them to statistics.
Yeah. And then, but there's
It
also
shouldn't do anything.
this.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So basically, I changed the timeout result to be have option. Well, to make it a tuple basically with U size and tracker response. Before it was just tracker response. I made a
Okay.
tuple with U size and tracker response. U size being the size of of the response itself,
Uh huh.
and tracker response obviously being tracker response. The reason
Yeah.
why I did that is because we need to increment the bytes received here.
Yeah.
So a test we can do, I guess, is just comment this. I don't really think this would be the problem, but
No,
wouldn't hurt to
that'd be
try
weird.
commenting that out.
Because it is response too short. Expected at least 4
Yeah.
bytes.
Yeah. Okay. So it's still doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's a different error. I already fixed that.
Yeah.
That's a different error. The response too short. Here's the new log I'm getting.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Send me those. It would be helpful. It would be helpful indeed. Uh.
Yeah, there. Those are the new logs.
There we go. Thank you. Expand. Copy into NeoVim. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Okay. So we. Oh my gosh. These logs are messy, man. They're so messy.
You can try changing. Hold on, let me check the engine logs.
Yeah.
Those ones were really easy to read. I'm just gonna copy the log function I had.
Yeah. Okay.
Those ones
So
were easier to read in the test.
that's fine. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Jeez. So we tracker timed out. And then we get another timed out. I take it. Yeah. Timed out. Why do you not get line numbers? I thought you did that for logging. The line number.
Well, it should give you the function name, so you should just use that.
I see. Yeah, you're probably right. Um. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There is yeah. It's more get peers. You're right. Okay. Yeah, so it times out and get peers, but it's obviously not really that helpful. Okay. So why? Ugh. Okay, so why did it? Hold on, hold on. I gotta. Hmm. Ay. Okay, why? How did changing statistics? Okay, let me look at the diffs again. See if there's anything weird. Oh, okay. So log statistics periodically. Okay, we took that out. We took stats log out. We took log statistics out. Change that. That should be fine. That should be fine. Are you save it?
Yeah.
Are you sure it wasn't? Wait, hold on.
It's up.
Are you no. That was just that was literally just logging. So okay, never mind. It wasn't that. Okay, so log statistics should be completely fine. It shouldn't affect anything.
Okay,
This
I have prettier logs now.
okay, nice. Yeah, send those over if you don't mind.
Somewhat.
It's something, yeah. Well, they're always gonna be filthy, I think. Um, all right, what else we got? What else? So stats tracker
They're a lot
stats.
longer though, goodness.
Uh, that's
Oh my goodness.
they are meant to be like verbose. To be fair. Okay, so replace it with tracker stats default, and then
Okay, 1 second. I need to use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
I do too.
Those are the logs.
I'm going to go here. Chat's gonna get our one viewer is gonna get the Subway Surfers background. Subway Surfers gameplay 10 hours. Okay,
Like a good neighbor.
you guys are gonna man. I don't want to pay for this, man.
Same old phone? Nah.
Okay,
Upgrade
great.
to the new Galaxy Z
Let me
Fold
pull
7.
this open. See. Look, you gotta think ahead. You know. Right back. Dude, why do I have more viewers when I'm playing when I'm playing Subway Surfers in the background? I feel like this says a lot about my content. Okay, Safe, are you there?
Yep. We're back. I
Okay.
think it's because like viewer retention, you know.
Yeah. Wait. I should have Subway Surfers playing.
Yeah, you just have it's like a you
Dude,
just have it as like a widget.
I honest to God want to now. I really, I'm
Think
gonna
about the
think
money.
about it.
Think about the money though. Think
You're
about the
right.
money.
50 cents, baby. 50 cents. Okay. Okay. You just got back, right? You're not gonna. You
Yes.
didn't figure out anything magical while you were gone.
No.
Okay.
No.
Well,
I just got back.
thanks for
So I
encouraging
sent
me.
you the logs. Wait, I think I did it wrong. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
I
Okay.
sent you too much. It was like, yeah, I sent you too much.
Oh. Okay.
These logs are so verbose.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. I
Let me clear my terminal.
Yeah. I think you.
I'm just gonna run this without next test because it might be better.
Okay.
Road test. Test stream with UDP peers. Probably okay. This happens.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
copy this.
So that's me here. Oh yeah.
Okay. There.
Okay. Did you?
That copy? Tell me that copied. Okay, yeah. Good.
Okay. Thanks.
I was about to be so angry if
That looks like the same
copy.
thing.
Oh my god, I didn't copy. I have to scroll all the way back up. No,
Bro,
it's fine. No,
chill.
no, it's okay. No, it's okay. I'm not gonna crash out. I'm not crashing out. It's okay.
No, he's
Okay,
crashing
there we
out.
go. Those are the logs.
That's the same thing still. Nah, I'm joking. Okay. Let me copy this. And paste it into. Oh my God, it's so many logs. Wonderful. Okay, time to sift. Is there? Wait, I wonder if I can set file type Rust. That's fine. Oh, there we go. Okay, I get like. I mean, it's not much better, but it helps kind of. I get syntax highlighting, but it's not great. It's just kind of okay.
Hmm.
I wonder if there's like a next hex file type or something. Okay. Anyways.
Probably just use standard logs. There might be like a standard log file type or something, or you can use it as JSON. You can serialize this as JSON.
Nah, it's fine.
Probably be easier if anything,
Nah.
to be honest.
Rust
Fair
works fine. It doesn't matter. Okay. See if UDP message parse response action. Say routed action channel unregistered transaction. Transaction ID for the tracker, and then okay, we get down. We're waiting. Parse response action. Connect. Then we fail retrying. Okay, so here. Okay, so that's
Received UDP message size 16. And then parse action is connect. Then parse connect response.
Yeah, then that works. So we get that.
Response size 16.
Oh, wait, hold on. No channel registered for transaction ID. That could be an issue.
Successor response. Hold on. Unregistered transaction.
I
Do that. And this is only. And also, by the way, we shouldn't be receiving any like, any messages we shouldn't be, because this is only with one tracker. By the way, so because I ran the test stream with UDP peers, so this is only one tracker.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Okay. Let me look in 510 then, I guess. Start there.
Transaction ID.
Okay, yes.
Announced message to tracker.
So
Transaction ID. Registered transaction ID. So you registered that transaction.
did we accidentally like remove the dot insert into the transaction ID thing?
Waiting. hope not. So I see waiting for a response, transaction ID, so it's waiting. Receive UDP message size 48.
Let me look at
Action connect? Why are we reconnecting?
we shouldn't. Hold on. Look over. Look.
Wait, what?
This should be.
Transaction ID 2627. Okay, so this is a different one. Warren, no. So basically, we're receiving back a connect that we didn't do. It might be.
Is that just the like connect in response though?
Yeah, but we already received a connect, so it's kind of weird that it's randomly sent a connect for a transaction ID that we didn't create. So that's why we get a warning saying, yo, we didn't create this transaction ID.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay, that
So
is.
it just ignores it.
Okay. So
Wait, but what I see is happening is routing response to transaction channel. Response type, connect, action, connect ID, transaction. But for some reason, we're unregistering the transaction even though we didn't receive the right response.
that. Wait, but wait, no. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Wait, okay, here, let me
So
look.
I see unregistered transaction 76. So we
6-7?
basically are receiving.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Anyways,
it's okay.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Anyways,
Okay. Yeah, okay, so on actually what line is it?
so somewhere we're unregistering the message ID while even if we like if we receive a response, we're just unregistering it even if the response isn't for us.
Okay, well there's
So even if the transaction ID is wrong, we're still unregistering it. So
yeah, I kind of saw, yeah, I see the issue here with receive retry. We just kind of wait. Look on 627. Um, I don't know
627.
if this is the intended logic for this.
Timeout. Yeah, this should be moved down to okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say 'cause that shouldn't unregister until, like, yeah, it's done.
Well, we unregister this here, and then so this is okay sum.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, where do we compare this transaction IDs even for us? Warn.
Do we not do that here?
I don't remember.
There should.
So receive. So timeout result should send us any message that we receive. Where do we even check if register transaction? Register transaction ID response TX.
Yeah.
The unbounded sender that will just send us back the response.
Yeah. Question mark. But it should.
But it doesn't matter even if we error because this is our okay, whatever. I'll just change that and then run it and see if that changes anything.
Okay.
Nope, looks to still be doing the same thing.
Okay. That's not useful. Oh man. Okay.
Going through the log individually, it's just sending like we're just getting like an unknown transaction ID that we've never received before.
Yeah. Is it? No. It should be the same transaction ID now. For
Wait, so we're receiving duplicate messages because I see a connect response saying like received response transaction ID 200 250. Well, you won't see it in your logs because I have different transaction IDs. But I see that we received a connect response with the same transaction ID that we're receiving a warning about later on that we received an invalid transaction ID basically.
Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, how do we handle that then? Cause okay, so I'm guessing. Wait, is it that why are we being sent multiple responses to our connect?
We might have multiple places where we're listening for a message, and well, this is all asynchronous. So what could happen is we could have multiple places where we're listening for a request,
Hmm.
and since it's the broadcast, it just sends it to all of them, I guess.
Yeah. So we need to.
Mm. But that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
So wait, announce. Because we literally have so the connect worked. The connect worked fine. It's the announce. We serialize the announce. Send to UDP message. So we sent the announce request.
Hmm.
Okay, we sent the announce request. And we sent the message with the transaction ID. We send the message when we register the transaction for that message. And then we're
Yeah.
waiting for the response to that message. And then we receive a message back, but the message is a connect instead of a the message isn't what? So we received a message back, but it's the same transaction ID as the connect request, and it's a connect request instead of a it's a connect request basically, which isn't what we want. And
That
then we
is.
receive a warning saying no channel registered for 250 because we already deleted that channel
Yeah.
because we already received that back already. So we
Yeah.
already delete that channel.
Okay.
Or no. So then it says, and then after that we just time out because of Tokyo timeout.
Yeah.
So after that, yeah, we time out, and then it just tries to retry.
That.
So and then it says serializing announce request again.
Okay. So
Announce request serialized.
in essence
Sent you to
it's sending. You're gonna have to explain this to me again. You're way too
okay.
fast. Okay.
Receive UDP message. Connect. Why is it size 64? Doesn't make sense. How would it be? How did connect request be size 64 when the last one was 48? Okay. So here's what's happening.
Okay.
So we connect. We connect to the tracker.
Mm-hmm.
That works.
Yes.
And then if you go through the logs, it says that once we connect to the tracker, we run the announce. We serialize the announce.
Mm-hmm.
We send the announce off, and we have our transaction ID ready, and we're waiting for a response.
Do you mean the
Then we
connect
receive a
request?
response. No. The connect works. So the connect works all fine and dandy.
Okay.
We make it past that point, and we receive our connection ID back.
Okay.
Then after that, we we run the connect. I mean, no, we run the announce.
Mm-hmm.
The announce serializes the announce. That means we
Mm-hmm.
serialize our announce request into bytes and send it off, and and have our transaction ID ready and put into the transaction ID hash map.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just sitting here waiting for a response, basically.
Yeah.
We receive a response, but the response we receive is another connect response for some reason.
Is it a connect response? Well, if that's a broadcast channel, is that a connect response for a different? Uh. Well,
Well,
no. It shouldn't matter because that transaction ID will still be in the hash map. No.
no, we would have removed the transaction ID from the connect request already because we already received it.
Yeah.
And also, but the thing is, the transaction ID that we're receiving for the connection
Mm-hmm.
response
Mm.
was the exact same connection, exact same transaction ID that we had with the original one that succeeded already.
Okay.
So for some reason, we're receiving the same connect response twice,
That's weird. What the
even though we
hell?
already have the. So because I can see the transaction ID is exactly the same for the second connect response they're receiving as it was for the first one, which wouldn't happen if the tracker was doing everything correctly. The tracker wouldn't send us the same transaction ID twice.
Yeah. So is
So
it
that
with the tracker then, or is it something with our
no,
understanding of?
it's something we're doing.
Okay. I was gonna say.
And then since we already popped that transaction ID off of our hash map, then we get a warning
Yeah.
saying that this is an unknown transaction ID because we already used that
Y-
transaction ID.
Yeah.
And then after that, we just don't receive a response again, and we time out for 300 milliseconds.
Okay.
So that's what happens essentially. And then we just go through that loop over and over again because we have retries.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Okay, that. Okay, that's great, but okay. What I still don't understand is how did we change that? How did we Where did we change that in the code? Like, how did we get to the
Okay.
point? How do we introduce this bug? And
Here's what I can do. I can stash
wait, hold on,
and
hold on.
okay, okay.
Six.
Not
Go to 626. Hold on. I can. Did we not? Did we? Okay. Did you intentionally remove that unregistered transaction?
we just did that. Remember we moved it
Oh,
down
right.
here.
Okay. Okay. My bad.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me look one more time, then you can stash. We can try this again. Um. Okay. I
Let me,
don't.
let me check the diffs.
Yeah, I don't see anything weird. It's not something in the log statistics function, right? Like, I mean, that'd be so weird to put that in there, but it's not. No, no, it's not. It's not. There's nothing in there about transactions.
Um,
At that's.
unbounded sender transaction ID.
Hmm.
Statistics. I mean, the only thing could be is like the warning that Cleavy's giving us about the type being too complicated. It's the only thing I can think of.
Change
But
that.
that shouldn't.
Change it to a U-size tracker response just instead of just a tracker response.
What do you mean?
No, the in the response channels, the thing you just talked about, but like that shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah, but Clippy's telling us like type complexity,
Yeah,
but
but that shouldn't.
that shouldn't be like an issue that affects functionality. It should just be like code
Yeah.
quality issue.
Okay, well, I guess stash this and then yeah, we try it again.
Okay. Yeah, because if we stash it and it works and it's something that we did,
Hmm.
but I don't.
I
Oh
don't
yeah,
know.
see receive. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to revert this,
For what?
store this chunk and this chunk,
Hmm.
and that is the only thing I can think of that would be related.
What chunks were those?
It worked. It worked.
What was it? What was it? What
Worked.
was it?
Receive buff from.
What? Huh?
It was that.
Why did that? Huh?
I don't know. I have no idea to be honest.
Did we just label this as like a fucking Scooby Doo mystery and call it a night? I'm vouching for that.
So
Scooby Doo mystery.
so it was in this line where I did the vec new and stuff.
Yeah.
For some reason, what happens? Okay, what happens if I change to receive buff? This okay. Let's see. I change. See what happens if I change that. Okay, now it breaks. Now it's broken again.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay.
Hold on. I just want
So
to leave a little note in here.
vec. What happens
Uh,
if I do this? That's how we get the size error. So we
what the
are
hell?
basically forced to do this and just waste memory.
Oh, nice. Great.
So no, there's like literally nothing we can do. We're just forced to waste memory here.
Okay.
Well, what's the largest? Well, actually, we don't know. Don't
I don't.
like we can immediately get that memory back by doing like there's a function that you can like remove the zeros
Yeah.
from a buffer.
Wait, how many? Hold on. 65,000 bytes to megabyte. it's still not that much memory. Like it's not. It's obviously bad, but it's not like it's not gonna kill us. Um,
Yeah, true, true. Uh, well, is this a max length? What if I put this? Wait, hold on. What if I, because vectors are growable. So if I just
yeah.
do like 68 and then allow it to grow, that limit our response size to 68?
Let's see. I don't
Okay,
know.
it failed. Failed already.
Oh my god. Wait, shouldn't there be
So,
a max response size of for tracker response?
uh, don't think so.
Okay, wait, okay, so
Consider.
we're getting an oh yeah, because there'd be some unknown amount of peers.
Yeah.
Well,
So
no, yeah, no.
that works. Why is it so fast? Oh, we're receiving a retry. Oh, and it failed now. Why'd it fail? Disconnect. It failed. Fetch duration. Waiting for next peer set. Okay. Connection. Okay, so it just randomly failed for some reason.
Yeah.
Hacker message failed. Message timeout. So wait. Okay, but this is going. This test shouldn't fail though. I can run it like 3 times, and on the fourth it'll just fail.
That's so
Don't
dude.
know why, but I don't think that's related to anything we did here. So I'm just gonna set this back to whatever it was,
Mhm.
and um, it worked. So 65536. Right? Yeah, sure. Whatever that random number is, yeah. It 3, 4, and the fifth one it fails.
Uh,
But that should be. But since we have yeah, we have in our test we have a retry thing.
mhm.
Test itself will retry if we fail enough. Well, the test itself will retry if it fails. It'll retry 5 times.
Yeah.
So I don't think we'll retry. I don't think we'll fail 5 times in a row because I'm only failing like 1 out of like 5 attempts. So I don't think it'll fail all 5 of those attempts in the test.
Yeah.
It's something we can look into later at some point,
Yeah.
I guess.
I still they,
This
wait, hold on. I
I
I I,
don't.
I still don't wait. Okay, why is it only failing once then? Is that just the trackers being trackers?
I well, it's timing out. So
I I don't even know.
it's timing out on the announce.
Yeah. Okay. I
The
guess this
announce is
is
timing out basically.
yeah. Okay, let's just look into it a little later, I guess.
Yeah, you need sleep, bro.
Nah. I'm fine. My eyes just hurt, dude. Like literally.
You gotta get those blue light glasses, man. Why do you not have your computer with the filter on right now?
No.
Like the nighttime filter?
No.
Bro, try on the nighttime
I
filter.
don't even use it anymore. It doesn't help that much.
Really?
No, not really. I feel like crank it up to the max for it to like have
Bang
any
it up to
sort
the
of
max,
effect.
bro.
Nah, but no, because I can't see contrast in the code then. So I kind of just have to accept my fate.
Blue light glasses, man. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. I
That's
don't know. Anyways. Okay, are we gonna come back to this? Or are we gonna try and fix it?
we still yeah we should definitely come back to this at some point and try to fix it.
Okay.
We still haven't tested HTTP though. Wait, I need to run all tests. Hold on, cargo, next tests are uh all 18 tests passed.
Okay, what's the cargo clippy about? What's the mention about? Here. Okay, we can remove that import, and then that's the very complex type. We can handle later. We can handle that later. Okay. Okay. Do you have anything else you wanna do?
Not on stream, I guess. I think I'll just do some more stuff either
Yeah.
tonight or later.
Yeah. Okay. So I
So
guess
yeah,
next is docs for all the functions we made, dry code.
yes,
Um, try and fix
and
whatever the hell's
removing
going on here.
and fix tracker trait
Yes. Yeah. Or we'll not
or
fix it, but just
moving
remove
off,
it. Yeah. Yeah.
moving off tracker trait. Yeah,
Yep. Okay. That seems
put
good.
that in your notes for development for next stream.
Okay.
And are we streaming tomorrow or?
I'm gonna be home at like 8:30, 8:45. I'll send you my schedule off stream. 'Cause I will
Okay.
like actually have a like schedule now that uh practice and college are starting back up. So but
Okay.
I'll still be able to stream. Yeah, let me just here, hold on. Okay,
Just a bit later. It's fine.
yeah. It's fine. I'm actually gonna like I'm genuinely gonna need caffeine though. Like I don't know how long I can keep doing this without caffeine or some other illegal supplement.
Mm.
No questions, Your Honor. Okay,
Mm.
docs, move off tracker trait, fix stupid, dumb issue with one test, with 1 out of 5 tests failing, UDP, what else?
Move off tracker trait. If you
Yep.
haven't said that already.
The what?
Move off tracker trait if you haven't said that already.
Yep. Anything else?
And I think that's it for this PR.
Okay.
Well, and then we have to, once we move off tracker trait, that will be HTTP and UDP.
Yeah.
And remove dry code.
Yeah.
Okay, we should probably add that as a to-do list inside the PR itself.
Yeah, that's fair.
Well, I haven't made the PR yet. I can make the draft PR right now. Hold on.
Okay. Yeah. That works. Okay.
I'll make the draft PR right now before you leave.
Yeah.
Let me push this real quick, by the way.
Yeah.
And push this. This would be refactor.
Use atomic fields.
Refactor.
Yeah.
Factor tracker. Use atomic.
That seems
For
fine.
factors to use centralized statistics and use atomic fields.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
Let me make that.
Push
Yeah.
that. I'm gonna make I'll make the draft PR.
Yep. Okay, I'll go over there.
Refactor. Reconstruct. Or track. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll probably paste your to-do list.
Yeah. That seems fine. Okay.
To-do. Task list. Oh. Task list. To-do. Docs. Move. Docs. Move on. Tracker trait. Fix UDP. Failing. Sometimes.
Organize my tabs real quick. Okay.
Dry code. Okay. Okay. And then I'll add a reference to issue 34.
Okay.
Related issues. So that'd be 34.
And
And then
also,
what else? Can you check
eight,
what other issues?
80, 82, 77,
82, you said?
82,
Yeah.
and
Update
77.
tracker current dot 77.
Yeah, that should be alright. That should be fine.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Alright.
Pull request.
Make the pull request. There we go. Okay.
Hey, we have it.
I can actually make a little task. Oh, I didn't even know that. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Okay. Does that call it good for tonight?
Yep.
Oh, thank God. Bye, chat.
That is not